morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, baby! Just turn it up. Just give it a second. Okay. Start the day off right, baby. Get your energy high. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are all murdering today. Baby, if you've been trading. If you guys haven't, welcome to the show, baby. We're going to kick it off with some good bangers right now, man. Woo! Alright, guys. Get into it. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? What is this market doing? Who am I? Who are you guys? What's going on? Alright, guys. We're going to turn this music down a little bit there. There we go. So, guys, this market right now is what I like to call top. This is something that you look at, you go, and I'm okay. You know? So, took a few scalps, 2 for 3 on the day on NQ. So, not a bad start to the morning. I'm doing well, except that one trade was a little bit more of an L than the rest. Give me 1 second, guys. Anyone over there on YouTube.com, need to go to yeah, buddy. Get her going. There we go. Let me pull her back up here. Hold on. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So, like I said, alright, like I said, apparently not. Okay. There we go. 229 on the day. But, we're going to make that back. See, this is what I did last time. Remember that one day you guys came on? I was down like so-and-so amount. It was like 1,200 or something like that. You came on, and we made it all back. And then we ended the day off being like, I don't even know. It was up like $100 or something, bro. So that was a $1,200 day. We're about to do the same, baby. So I'm looking for a good area here on the S&P to probably get filled here. If you guys just took one look at CL, guys, that was crazy. That stock just went massive. It just went on a crazy rip and run, which was I really expecting it? You know, I wouldn't really say yes. I'm not gonna lie. Also, do I know where? Okay, there it is. Okay. Yeah, no, I was not. I mean, I didn't have a very valid reason on why I could have, unless. No, there's no news today. No news today. It's Tuesday. No economic news that I see on my chart anyways. But if you guys, let me know. Let me know if you guys are green on the day. Let me know if you guys are murdering this market. You guys are killing it, baby. Like a shark in the ocean. Looking for its next prey. You just don't want to get binked in your snout. Because, you know how sharks, you know, when they get hit in the snout, they can't. Okay, you guys get what I'm saying. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting and watching, man. Waiting and watching. So, what is up, guys? So, what is the game plan on the day? My game plan is, as of right now, I might be looking for a little reversal here on NQ, on the S&P. NQ starting to get this nice big pop. Unless S&P wants to start to break its trend line, as you can see, came up right to it. What were my trades on the day? First trade of the day. I was playing S&P. Based off this breakout, I wanted it to happen here, right? So I got in here, got in at this high, kind of right around it. It did break out. I was green a little bit. Didn't take the profit. I think it was up like $60 or something. Then came back in, touched the 200, which should have been an indication to stay in. I just wasn't really thinking, like, to stay in. Like, it didn't break the 200, right? So I should have stayed in technically. There's no point to get out, but I did cut it right there. But then I got back in at, not this break, but I got in at another 200, like something like this, but I got in. So each time it was with, oh yeah, right here. You guys can see. I'm trying to see the amount of like where I got in. Oh, literally right here. So as you can see, the first one was 28 to 10. So actually, what that would have been on NQ would have looked like this. Where's 28? Oh, okay, that's why, because it was NQ's view up. The more I look at this, I was like, well, there's actually no point in me getting out, because that was just a 200 bounce. 28 right here, all the way down to 10 area, which had to be back here. Yeah, maybe it was a 200 touch here. Maybe that's why. I don't know. I kind of forget that one. I'm not gonna lie, guys. That's not a good thing to forget your plays. you shouldn't. I think what it would have been a 200 touch right here, or it had to be something like that, and then right down into, and it was a one contract as well, guys. So then I made it back though. Now we're going to the next play here. Bink all the way from 13 up to 15, call like $2 and then call $5. So as you see, had like a, what is that, $18 loss compared to a $2 gain and a $5 gain. Not good ratios, guys. Not what you want. NQ ripping and running right now, though. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are looking for a play, I'm thinking about S&P over top of its trend line here. Will force NQ to come in, punch it into the top side, baby, and let us start to really rip and run. So, yeah, buddy. That's what we're waiting on. We are waiting and watching right now, guys. So, I'll probably take that with 2 NQ contracts to the top side and or 1. I'm thinking 1. Make back that loss on the day if I'm going to make it, and then just start fresh. Oh, damn. So, yeah. Yesterday was an amazing stream with Caesar. Killed the market, baby. Ended green on a good note. Still, guys, still do not have my funded, guys. I swear I'm not pushing it off. Alright, now they're asking, because they're asking so many questions, bro. It's just, I've never had more difficulty trying to get funded before. I will tell you that. Trying to get an account. I'll tell you that. I've never had more difficulty. But yeah, they're asking 1.5 million questions. We'll go with that. Alright, and I was not expecting them to ask 1.5 million questions, because last time, bro, they asked me 3 questions, and I was bink, just like that. I got the account, but now they're just asking like 1 million questions. Like, how are you gonna ask me why stocks is in my email name? Like, what kind of question is that? Oh, that was the one I genuinely, that was like my bro moment. I was like, bro, what? When I read the email and they needed to know why the word stocks was in my email, I was like, bro, what? I was so confused. I was like, okay. Yeah, so it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not complaining. We're gonna get it done. This also just gives me more time to trade my my prop firm account here. Guys, this could be a double top. Could actually start to be reversing here. Underneath the 50, I might be looking at it a little bit more. I want to see that come down because I don't want to see this 250 come into play and then this trend line break. Once that trend line breaks, I'll be in it. I'll be looking to get in and keep it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy. What's up, Dark Trader? Woo! In the building, baby. Hope you're killing it. 3 out of 3 on the day. Feeling under the weather, but still up 570 bones. Hey, feel under the weather all you want. Alright, you gotta move from one side of your house to the other. Dark Trader, I want you to take some of those melatonin gummies. And then I want you to take some of that Dayquil. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you're like, YB, won't that put me to sleep? Hear me out. Alright? Then, once you start to get a little bit tired or whatever, then fight it. I want you to fight that kick. I want you to get back in the market here. Start trading, buddy. Up 570, though. Actually, you could take it. You actually could take it and walk. That is another theory you could do, realistically, being up 570. So, yeah, I guess you could walk away being green. But screw that. Yeah. Tuh. Screw that, right? So no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. Yeah, buddy, we are chilling out, man. So we are waiting and watching right now. You know, I'm more or less. What am I more or less waiting on? I'm waiting on that crack to come in. So I'm glad you're green, though, Darth Trader. Yeah, buddy. No, I'm glad you're green, man. I'm glad you're killing it. I'm glad you killed it at least today, and you're you know, you're getting into it, baby. So yeah, that's my main thing I'm looking at here. I'm looking at this little reversal here. But yeah, you're up 3. You're 3 on 3 on the day. You could always walk away. It's always a valid option. You don't, you know. Look at this nasty candle on NQ. Oh crap. Dude, it's coming down here. I want to see these break here on S&P, and I'm gonna get in probably two NQ contracts to the downside. I think that really will fall, guys. Yeah, that is a pretty nasty. These are some nasty wicks coming in, man. If you guys are in on the long side, man, that probably, I mean, view op touch is the only one I think of. Look at that little bounce. There's so much support here, guys, that it could, I mean, I want it to crack. Will it realistically crack? It's going to be hard. You have the 50, the 200, and the view op all touching at the exact same point here. Guys, that is going to be like, think about that. That's almost an easy bounce play. I don't know why I didn't take that. That's almost an easy bounce play. If that cracks, guys, yeah, below view up, yup, right there's ES starting to crack there. If this cracks, ladies and gentlemen, oh, we're coming down. I so hope this cracks. Anyone that's long, I'm sorry. I know I'm going against you, but I really hope this cracks, man. That would look so good. Right there's that 50, 200, and view up all touching collectively at the same time. I don't see it cracking, though. Like, I don't know. It looks like it might be like a little like reverse Head and Shoulders. It's like YB. Well, you know, if you don't see it cracking, why don't you go long? Because I want to go long at the touch of it. If I'm gonna go long and I don't see it's cracking, I'm going long right at the 200, and it'll be one contract, not two. Just in case it's that morning momentum. They could need this thing. Sellers could want it more than buyers here. And if sellers want it more than buyers, oh, she's going down, all right. For some reason, my book map has not been working recently, ladies and gentlemen. I think they caught on to the fact that, like, I'm not actually paying for the subscription fee. I probably should. It's only 30 bucks. I'm just like, well, if I can get it for free, why not? And they never said anything before, so I'm like, you know. I mean, you know. Screw it, bro. That's how I thought. I'm like, screw it. So looking for a red to come in here, ladies and gentlemen. See, this is what I was saying, guys. Here's that bounce, guys. Oh, man. It makes me almost want to go long here, bro. I know. It's like, YB, you're dumb. You just said you're going long down there. Bro. That could push a new high a day, bro.
Order filled.
I'm long here one contract to the top side just to see this thing spike a little bit. I'm not looking to hold forever. I'm not looking to, you know, go against the grain for too long. But I think this thing could push to a new high day here on NQ and maybe spike up to 60, guys. I just need S&P to continue its uptrend. Continue its Riparuski. And it could continue to do its thing, ladies and gentlemen. It feels like I'm almost chasing, but it... Yeah, man. Let's see some green here. Woo! What's up, Grambo? I did not take any CL today. I have not, but I did see that CL move. That CL move was crazy, Grambo. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get S&P to break to the top side. NQ, I need to see you to flash, baby. Flash me some green there, man. Flash me some green, some good old green. That looks good. Oh, man, dude. Now I'm thinking that downside play, baby. And now I'm thinking that downside, man. See, I should have waited for official crack for an official little Riparuski, but it's okay. NQ's holding up really well compared to S&P. I think NQ could get that pop above 60. I mean, excuse me, 50 up into 60, guys. Give me 1 second. Sorry, guys. Throat's like killing me. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, look at... Okay, guys, I might be cutting this one right here. Hold on. Because I almost want to go short if it continues to fall here. I do think it can pop right back up and break that uptrend. You're right. Yup. Uptrend line to break. I feel like it just has bullish momentum, guys. I feel like it just has that bullish momentum. I might DCA. I don't want to DCA yet. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I'm cutting it.
Order filled.
Why? S&P starting to really crack here, ladies and gentlemen. S&P starting to really crack here. If S&P can hold below, it's going to force NQ to come down. It's going to force NQ to come down. I'm going to take it with 2 NQ contracts to the downside. Sitting down 537. That's okay, baby. We're going to make it down one play. One play at a time, baby. Starting to actually come down here. Starting to really crack. Dang, bro. NQ, you need to move, bro. Pick up some volume, baby. I need you to move. I don't care which direction. I need you to move. That is insane, ladies and gentlemen. That has to be one of the... That is wild. That was wild, guys. It just flushed down to 25, ladies and gentlemen, and whipped right back up in and off it. That was incredible, dude. I would have probably just punched my monitor if I was a long trader there. That is insane. Okay, we're coming back down below it. I mean, a shorter, excuse me, if I was a short trader. This is not a bad spot to get short on the S&P, but NQ's not reacting the same, guys. NQ's doing its own thing right now. It's not reacting as I would expect it to react with the S&P falling like this. I would expect NQ to be dumping, selling off below its trend line all the way down to like another $20. You know what I mean? But it's not. Ladies and gentlemen, S&P. NQ is not correlating at all, guys. I want you to know it. No clear momentum on NQ. Do not trade it. Do not take a trade on it right now. I would even say if you're going to trade it, go long, bro. Oh my goodness. I don't know. It's holding up way too well. It's holding up so well compared to the S&P, man. Those longs I was just in, maybe I should have held. Guys.
Order filled.
I'm in on 2 longs to the top side here. I want to see that thing break way back above it. Break way back above my point and spike to a new high day there. Ladies and gentlemen, if it can do that, it's starting to break this little downtrend here. It broke it 1, 2, 3, like 4 times here. If it can break to the top side here, S&P breaks it back. If S&P breaks back above its 50, 200, and view up, ladies and gentlemen, this thing's going to go. Grambo saying just picked up $450,000 accounts. Yeah, buddy. There you go, man. Whoop. Sorry, guys. My throat's messing with me today. So, yeah, no, there you go, man. That's awesome, man. Are you, you're in the evaluation phase for all of those then. Here we go. Let's see it, NQ. Let's see that spike. Ripperoo, baby, to the top side here. Let's see that Ripperooski. All the way back above 50, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see it. Break 50. Break 50 for me. I want to see NQ spike, rip, and run. You have a mind of your own, baby. You can do anything you want. All right, don't even listen to the S&P. S&P, honestly, if you want to help it out, though, break it back above this 200 and the view up and all of it, baby. Start spiking, ripping, and running, forcing NQ to just pop. All right? That's what I'm looking for here, guys. I want to see that pop here. All right? I want to see that good old pop, baby. NQ might squeeze up. That's what I'm looking at here. I'm looking for that U shape to come in and really start to punch it in. Even catching $15 on this would be crazy. Alright, so that's mainly what I'm looking for. I really do think it can with how much it's been holding up. S&P's not helping it, but S&P also isn't correlating with it. You know? Like, if we go red to green here. Okay, unless it now wants to correlate, guys. There's no way. I'm waiting and watching. Guys, this might be it. Ladies and gentlemen. I knew it was coming into play. I just don't know when. I'm going to wait for the trend line break. I don't feel comfortable getting out because I know it can spike right back up. I know how NQ's been working this entire time. It can spike right back up. I just want a DCA.
Order filled.
I DCA'd in on 2 more. I want to see this go from red to green here. Start to spike back up. If it can go red to green on this candle, spike back up to the 4-4s in the way, and push those highs. If S&P can hold up here, make that nice big lower shadow of a wick, and then start spiking back up, ripping and running, forcing NQ to come to the top side, ladies and gentlemen, I do really think it could get that nice good push. Like, we see red to green here spiking back up to 4.8, guys. I'll be break even and more. I'm filled right now at 4.5. So if we go to 4.8, I'll see red to green and more. All right, I'll be green. We'll be good to go. We'll all be happy, campers. If S&P can just do that one little red to green move here, push back up to its view up, 200, and what is it, and 50 day, you're good to go, baby. Right? You guys are living life. You guys are living lavish. What's up, Forbes? Hope you're murdering the market, buddy. Killing today. Let's see. Come on, baby. Give me a good red to green move, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a good red to green, guys. That's all I want. I just want that one good push. Good ripperooski. All right? So you're so close to it. I know you can push above it. I know you can touch 450 areas, but we're just going to see, wait, and watch. We're in chop right now, guys. That's all we're in. All right? And if I can be on the right side of chop momentum, if this thing can go green here and just touch that 50, I'll be good. Woo! Sorry, guys. Got a little lightheaded. Probably from screaming. I need to see red to green here, guys. Higher lows need to hold up, and I want to see red to green, guys. I have to see red to green. Cannot be a trap pattern. Coming down to the trend line, ladies and gentlemen. I'll cut it. I'll cut it at the trend line break. I just think it has that play, man. S&P looks good to the top side here. Could, you know what I'm saying? Do exactly what it did last time. Coming down to it. Right there's that 200, guys. I will get out. I will get out, guys. I do not have enough faith in it. I don't have enough trust if it's going to break those points. Might do one last DCA down here. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, that potential reversal is critical here. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that red to green on the S&P coming up into play. Guys, look at that red to green on the S&P. NQ could really start to wick here, guys. If S&P starts breaking through, S&P starting to break through. S&P, break through that 200, baby. S&P, break through your 200, man. If it breaks through the 200, guys, it's going to go. Let me see red to green on the S&P. Red to green starting to come in.
Order filled.
Guys, I'm in on 8 contracts. Let me just type this out here. Whoop, 8. Give me the good old 8. Oh, yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, continue to rip and run for me, baby. Continue to pay out for me, baby. Continue to get that breakout.
Order filled.
I'll take it. That's the power of something called DCAing. DCAing, ladies and gentlemen. Dollar cost averaging. Woo! So we're good on the day, baby. You guys feeling great? You guys all feeling good? You guys all feeling great today? Who taught you that? Oh, Grambo. Alright. Alright. Alright, Grambo. Alright. I'll give you guys props. I'll give you guys props for that. Yeah. Yeah. You're kind of right on that. You're kind of right on that. Yo, Grambo with DCA, but I don't DCA with like 20 contracts though, bro. That is wild. Alright, we're in different ballparks. Alright. That was a good DCA though. Alright, you gotta admit. You gotta admit. That was a good one. That was a killer. Now we're sitting good on the day, guys. 149. Woo! Feeling great. Honestly, guys, that's how you play chop right there. And then you take your hands and you go and sit on them. Because there's nothing happening right now, ladies and gentlemen. It's looking like a sideways chop. 149, ladies and gentlemen. These are one of those days that you can almost even walk on. Of course, everything closes, right? There we go. I wait until there's a clear reversal and then go in with max contracts. He's like, yeah, I'm rocking like a 6 overall, and then I go to like a 10. I'm notching it up, baby. He's like, I'm going with everything I got. Well, then you print though, right, bro? That's when you make like bank right now, bro. Like, if I was still holding this, bro, I'd be up like probably 1,000 right now. Up like, what is that, like 1,200 right there? Like 15, bro, pushing. That'd be crazy, dog. So, whoo, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are murdering it, baby. Hope you guys are loving it. Loving the market, killing the market. Doing what you gotta do. 337.5 a tick with 27 contracts. Yeah, bro. That is insane. 337.50 with, oh my goodness. With 27 contracts, yeah. You're literally making like 4,000 in $1. Or like something crazy like that, dude. You're making like crazy amounts. Or no, not like 4,000. You're making like 1,000, but then it goes up like $2. Bink, done. You're out. Good to go. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. But it works. It works, and that's the big thing. It works. Woo. Yo, what's up, Zach? Hope you're killing it. My wallpaper. Hold up. My wallpaper, huh? What's up? What's up? Oh, these? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got these. I got you. Don't worry about it. Yeah, buddy. Give you a little heart there. Yeah, there you go, man. I didn't know that. I was like, I didn't know I could do that. That's cool. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I got him there. I got him there. I think I went to like that Fi store, if you guys know what it is. Fi store, and then I had to order this one online, the Glock poster. And I got the new couch, you guys see? Yeah. Okay. I might go 150K long and 150K short at CPI data tomorrow. That is not a bad idea. Especially if you have 2 different accounts, you're gonna make a crap ton of money with one, and you're gonna maybe lose the other account. But if you make like, you know, let's say you go 27 contracts, long one, dude, you're gonna make like 30,000, bro. Like, and like, it depends on what account. If you have 2 accounts that aren't even in the evaluation phase, like they're past, you just made 30K. Like, and the other one will fail, but you know, at the same time, you made 30K. You could buy 100 of those 150 accounts, bro. That would be insane, dude. Think about it. That's an easy way to make like a crap ton of money really fast. You can only do 17 and 150. Oh, okay. You still make like 15K though, realistically. That's still like, that's still like a you know, I don't know about you. I'll take 15K in a day. Like, yeah, bro, that'd be crazy, bro. Imagine waking up for CPI. Oh man, you're like, oh, it's in like 2 minutes. Oh man, I better get there. Go over to your computer, bro, and make 15K. Hop off, go back to bed. I'll be like, yo, where were you yesterday, Grandma? I didn't see you. You're like, oh, sorry, dude. I made 15,000 in 2 minutes. I went back to bed, and I went about my day. I'll be like, oh, okay. Yeah. Like, no, I was just here. Yeah. No, I am thinking about trading it, though, myself. I'm thinking about trading it on this account. My game plan would be for that, would be I wouldn't trade it beforehand. I would trade it afterwards, ladies and gentlemen. So what does that mean? YB, what do you mean you trade it afterwards? I would trade it as, okay, it's coming up. I see that it's getting that big rip. I'll probably go short on that rip. Boom, it spikes back down. I make like 20 something. I mean, I don't know. I just thought about that. I only need a couple thousand more before I pass this, and then it's wraps. I don't even need, I need like 3,000 more. I'm at 20. I'm right there, essentially at 62, so I need 65. Apex has a lucky windfall in the PA accounts, so you're not able to do that. They have a consistent, really? Oh, okay. So wait a minute. The one day I made 10K. Yesterday I made, hold up, I made 780 something yesterday. So does that not go with the consistency rule? Or are you talking about on the actual funded accounts there? Because yeah, they won't pay you out for that, right? On the funded, okay. So what is it? So you have to, let's say you're consistently making like $20,000 a day on the account, right? And one day you just have a bad day and you make like 1,000. They won't fund you with it, or how does that work? You know what I mean? Like, that'd be crazy. What's up, Nizza? Yeah, bro. I thought that was a whole other word, bro. I was about to say, whoa. What's up? What's up? I'm gonna call you Czar. What's up, man? How you doing, brother? Hope you're killing it, man. Hope you're killing it. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I thought you almost called me lacking with that one. I was like, call me Nick. Okay, word. That works. I was like, yo, what is going on? Okay. What's up, Nick? Right now, we are chilling, waiting, and watching, bro. We are chilling, waiting, and watching on this market. We're in consolidation and chop right now. Just DCA'd my way out of a little bit of a loss. Sitting up 149 on the account today. Nothing too crazy. So we're waiting and watching for that next move, man. Hope you're killing the market if you traded so far. Let's see here. How do I want to make this? This is ascending triangle pattern. I'll go from the maximum points I can. We're going to go from the maximum range that you possibly can go right now, guys. Why? Just so that we get that full range of motion, that full spread there. Okay? So, yeah, buddy. The will, if you are consistent, if you make 20K one day and then 100 the next day, they won't pay you out. Really, they won't give you the 20K. How much will they give you of it? Or is it just like they'll cut that day off? They'll be like, sorry, man, that was like luck. You know what I mean? That's crazy, bro. Had an AMD call, but got out early. Hey, as long as you were green, though. Green's green, my friend. Green is green. You can't complain. That's what's up, though, man. I hope you killed it on that. What's up, Torn Trader? Hope you're also murdering the market, buddy. Killing it out there. It's going sideways. It is. Yup. It is going sideways. Am I gonna, oh, Zach's saying on YouTube, am I gonna be live for CPI tomorrow? Oh, baby. I don't know, guys. Should I go live for CPI data tomorrow? It's a little early, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Should I? Basically, they're looking for you to be responsible with their money. They can see every click you take. You should go. Yeah. Oh, all right, ladies and gentlemen. I think I will. I think I'll do it. I did it Monday. I'll do it Wednesday, and maybe I'll do it Friday too. Maybe Friday I'll give you guys the full. I don't know how much YB y'all can handle. I'll give you all the full YB experience, baby. I'm talking from like 8:30 a.m. to like 2 p.m. type stuff. If I even want to, you know, I'll do it until I start, from when I start trading to when I end trading. Ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to get that crack right there, guys. Definitely not 8 contracts. I'll probably do 1 to start it off. I need that 200-day to break and hold below it. So probably push the 20s here. Just so I know that that's really cracked here. I need this S&P ascending triangle pattern. I mean, excuse me, kind of just triangle pattern. It's kind of flat. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I wouldn't call that one way or another. But I need that to break to the downside, and I will get in. Well, okay. For you guys that are trading options, you can get in S&P 500 puts underneath here, underneath a confirmation candle. So see how it's starting to break a little bit. If it comes down to like 10 and the next candle forms, you guys can get in. Where you would get out is if it starts to break back into the trend line. So that's your risk to reward ratio right there. And 9 times out of 10, these pay out decently. Right? You got to know where to take your profit as well. That's solely based up to you and what you're looking at. I'll let you guys know when I'm in and where I take my profit. So guys, looking to get in here very shortly. So right there's that next candle coming in. Ladies and gentlemen, looking to get in.
Order filled.
Got short 1. Up right now. Starting to print on this, baby. Let's see this thing continue here. So waiting and watching, guys. Have your hands tied, waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen. You want to see it continue. These can wick. These can very much wick on you. But if it continues to fall here, comes down to like 447 areas flat there, you guys are good to go. So I want to see it hold underneath the 200 here. I'm probably going to DCA in here if it starts to wick and run on me. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see this green or red. Green or red on the S&P is critical, baby. Green or red on the S&P could bring NQ down to like 16. Here it goes. I'm looking for 16 here. I'm going to place my marker right here, and I'm going to leave it here. Let's go right here, 1650. All right, baby. Woo! They call it a lucky windfall. Oh, okay. Okay, word. Yeah. Lucky windfall. I'm going to tell them, well, it's not luck. I'm the guy. And when they say, well, do it again, I'm going to be like, don't tell me what to do. I'm going to be like, just because you said that, I'm going to make $100 for the rest of the month. Guys, you want that green or red here, ladies and gentlemen. Green or red indicates downtrend. If it starts to flip, this is a lower shadow. It's a bit scary there, guys. You don't want that lower shadow to come into play. This is you know, there's your RR ratio for it. You got to see what you're willing to risk here. But, hey, could come back into play. Could get that nice green or red. Start to pay you out, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, coming right back down into play here. Guys, if you get that nice green or red, ladies and gentlemen, you could see 2-3 flat. I want to see 2-3 break. I want to see 2-3 break, guys. There it is, coming back into play, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes, starting to break. 2-2 now, starting to push. Starting to push. There it goes, literally. I was going to say, ladies and gentlemen. I said literally, though. Okay, cool. What is my game plan here, guys? I want to see 16 come into play, guys. I want to see 16 come into play. Underneath that, you have room to really start to fall, rip and run to the downside, guys. I'm in on 1 NQ short to the downside. Looking for that nice good old Dumperuski here. Look at that nice good old Dumperuski. Picking up the energy drink. Taking a little sip. Pinkies up. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here she goes. Here she goes. There she is, guys. Pushing 16. Waiting for this to continue to crack here. Getting that next Dumperuski. Your next support level is going to be down to 09. Ladies and gentlemen, TP where you want, but I'm chilling right this second, guys. I see S&P continuing this. Just starting to break here to the downside. NQ has room to go. Ladies and gentlemen, there she is, guys. I wonder what their allowable range between profit to count or not. If they look into it and see it consistently with you, with your other trades, they will pay you out. But it's not. But it's under security. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. I'm waiting right now, guys.
Order filled.
I'm gonna lock it up. I'm gonna lock it up. TP where you want, guys. You guys can hold this now. Your next support level will be back down right here, guys. Up down to 06 right here. If this breaks, you guys are good. Why did I TP? I got paper hands. I got paper hands. I'm no Caesar. Alright, you want me to be honest? I got paper hands. Bro! Dang it, dude. Oh my goodness. Look at that, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh! Fuck. Congratulations if you guys are still in on this trade, guys. Oh my goodness, bro. Look at where I TP'd, guys. I can't even look at it. I really can't even look at it, bro. Oh my goodness. Guys, tell me when it stops. Tell me when the madness stops. Tell me when the madness stops, ladies and gentlemen. I can't watch. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, I might get in for a scalp. I'm chasing, bro. I feel like I'm chasing. I feel like I'm chasing. Tell me to stop. Tell me to stop, guys. Someone tell me. No, we're good. You guys with me? You guys with me? Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. Auto trend on 15-minute. It bounced off of. Okay. I feel like here we go. Stop and wait for confirmation at pre-market lows. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right. It's talking some sense into me. Let's see what happens here. If it continues to fall. If it continues to fall here. If it continues to fall here. Okay, we're right there. Those are those pre-market lows right here. Okay, that's good. That's what I wanted to know. All right. I will consider it. I will consider it if we continue to fall. All depends on what the S&P is going to do here. I'll get another one contract to the short side, guys. If we want to start bouncing, I might even go long, though. You know what I mean? Do I think we're going to get a big bounce? No. If we were to bounce, I don't think it would have been a big bounce. I need to see confirmation underneath that level, and we have room down to the auto trend line. Okay? Don't want you to get caught in a bounce. I know, bro. I know. I don't want to get caught in a bounce. Sitting up 366 on the day. I mean, I can always walk with it, man. I'm always cool with that. Look at these lower shadows right here. If this one does not play out, you got to be cautious. You got to see this candle play out, guys. There it is. Starting to play out, guys. Starting to play out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. NQ, though, didn't flush as much. NQ coming back into play.
Order filled.
All right, I'm short one there. I'm short one there. I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting on it. I want to see it continue. I want to see some sort of continuation here. I'll be quick to get out. I'll be quick to get out on this. I'm not going to risk too much on it. I feel like that could have been... I don't know. If we go green or red, you're good. If you go green or red, you guys are chilling. I don't know, man. It could go either way. If it goes red, though, ladies and gentlemen, you got room all the way down to the trend line, excuse me, auto trend line there. You know what I mean? You guys got room all the way down to the auto trend line. Not bouncing as much as it should. If it's going to get that reversal, we're waiting here. Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm 50-50 right now. If it goes red here, I'll probably take it once I'm a little bit green here. If it goes red here, I'll probably take it once I'm a little bit green here. Starting to come back into play. Starting to get that little bit more of a red action. It's starting to flash, guys. Starting to flash downside here. I'm waiting. Could be a potential trap pattern. Could be a potential trap pattern coming in, guys. What's a trap pattern? You might see it here. What's a trap pattern? You might see it play out, ladies and gentlemen. If we see a nice big red candle all the way down to, I'll say 50 here on S&P, you guys are good. You guys are good. You guys are good to go. You guys are printing bravo. You guys are looking like Rambo on a Thursday. Right there was that little bit of a pullback it needed for the next leg down, essentially. Next leg down, essentially, guys. That's what you're looking for. All right? So you got to wait and watch here, guys. We've seen it time and time again. These plays can work out in miraculous ways here. So wait and watching here. If it goes a little bit red, it could be a 2-minute pullback to another downside push. NQ's holding up really well here. I want to see it continue. I want to see it break that 80 level, guys. Low here of 825. I want to see that break. It came down to a low of 81. About 50 cents off it. About 75 cents, excuse me. 75 cents off it. Guys, coming right back down into it. Looking like a good trap pattern setup, guys. Hands are off the table. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. There she is. Perfect trap pattern setup coming back into play. Has room to continue here, ladies and gentlemen. Has room to continue to the downside, guys. Woo! That is what you were looking at here, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, she's just going to go. She's just going to go. Hallelujah to you. Have a great trip, guys. Hey, see you guys next year. See you guys next trip. Have a good one. Bye, NQ. Have a good one, buddy. I'm going to lock it up.
Order filled.
Turn me up. Turn me up, DJ. Turn me up, DJ. Turn me up, DJ. Woo! Sorry, guys. Got a little intense there. I was looking at myself in my OBS. Started feeling myself a little bit too much. There you guys go. There you guys go. How many are you, Torrent saying, how many are you taking at a time? I'm taking around one. One contract. That's it. Why one contract? Because I have a lot of room to DCA. I have a lot of wiggle room. And these things can still print. If I'm taking it with 2 to 3 contracts at a time, dude, I'd be up. I would have been past this challenge a long time ago. Like, not even being cocky, like, genuinely. Or I would have failed it a long time ago. One way or another. Because if I get in with 2 contracts here, now to DCA, I have to get in with 4. Up here. Now to DCA off that, you know. Oh, yeah. No, I was taking 4. I was taking 4 that one day I was down 1,000. I'm not going to lie. I was, Torn Trader. It just depends the day. Or it depends the trade. Sometimes I'll take 2. 2 is usually the max I start with. It's like if you're playing blackjack, you know what I mean? You're playing blackjack, you start with like, okay, I probably shouldn't relate trading to gambling, but you got what I mean. So let's say you start with like one hand, and you know that one hand is a $100 hand. You win, boom, you take your $100, you win. You keep winning. Now let's say you take an L. Okay, now you put up a $200 hand. Okay, you take it out. Now you're putting up a $400 hand. You take a win. Boom, you're back to break even. That's what's up. Now you're back to your $100 hands. $100 hand, $100 hand, $100 hand. And you keep winning, keep winning, keep winning until, you see what I'm saying? Let's say I get in here with one contract. Let's say, okay, say I get in here with one contract, TP, boom, I just won. Get in with another one right here, boom, just one. Okay, now it's starting to reverse. Now I DCA here. Okay, I DCA on, since I'm in with one contract, now I DCA with one more. Let's say it goes up here. Now I DCA with two more, because I'm in with two, so now I'm DCA with two. Now I'm at four. Now I DCA with four more, and then boom. Then it dumps on me. Okay, good. Now I'm in the green, baby. Now you're profiting. That's how I DCA with it anyways. Let's say I'm doing 8, then I'll DCA with another 8 up here. And then it's like, whoa. And that's usually the max I'll go. And I'll cut my loss, you know what I mean, if it's not going my way. Even in card playing, there's a difference between gambling and using a strategy. Yup. Yeah, exactly. Same within the market. Gambling is jumping in something without a plan and hoping for it to work. Exactly. So I guess, yeah, that's a good point, Torn Trader. You can do the same thing with gambling, just randomly just going, or you can use a strategy. Like, I think that's called the martingale strategy or something. It's, if you have an unlimited amount of money, you will never lose gambling. And that sounds so dumb. That sounds like YB. Oh, even say, that's literally true. If you have an unlimited amount of money, you're going to win one hand eventually. You're going to win one hand eventually, bro. Like, that is just true. That is a fact. And if you don't win one hand eventually, maybe you really should not be playing whatever game it is, bro. Whether it's poker, blackjack, whatever it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, but if you win one hand eventually, you break even, so you're good. Surely you're breaking even with 16,000 or 100. Doesn't matter what it is, man. So that's kind of where it is. You know, yeah, buddy. That's all I gotta say. So you can relate them the way you want, their strategies and everything. And we are printing, guys. Sorry, guys, like my ear. These headphones are like made of like cloth or something. I don't even know. Anyways, yeah, Grambo, did you ever enter that long, or did you wait on it? Because if you entered and you held out, dude, you're printing, man. You are printing right now, bro. Yeah, buddy. What's up, ZZ? Woo! Let's see it, baby. What's up, man? Glad to see you here, man. Good shit, bro. You crushing it. Thank you, Zach. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. So, yeah, buddy, sitting up 6 on the day. We're chilling. All right. Just scalping this market has been my go-to, ladies and gentlemen, since I've started futures. And you know, I'm not even gonna say knock on wood with this because it's been awesome. It's just strategies, guys. I'm gonna see what's up with deck after this month, to see what is it, to see what's up, to see if he's down to you know what I'm saying, if he's down to, you know. Sorry, to see if he's down to let me make a lesson on my stuff, to make a lesson on my strategy. And I'll use some of my past clips to think we, you know, to kind of give you guys a hint. Because my trading's really just scalping, guys. And you guys also understand it. A lot of you guys do the exact same thing. You guys just scalp the market. You guys come in here, it's not long term, it's just in and out, in and out, in and out, bang, 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 bang. You know what I mean? So we are chilling. I entered and got out up 100. There you go, Grambo. Hey, nothing wrong with some green, buddy. I think we go lower. I think we are gonna reverse either here or we're gonna reverse up like that right there. Look at that. Right up that 47 point essentially. Right up and into it, guys. And then come up maybe that, or we're gonna reverse right up to that 50 day. Excuse me, 50 day. Start to reverse. Yeah, I'll see what's up. I'll make some videos and I'll tell Deck to submit them or something to the library or however that works on the strategy. Because I think a lot of you guys could use it. It's really not. The strategy really is scalp. And a lot of you guys already do it. So maybe I don't even need to make a video lesson on it. Because some of you guys already do it, like hand in hand. Woo! ZZ saying, you my man, buddy. Aw. Love you, ZZ. We got you there. Over on YouTube.com. We got you, buddy. Don't even worry about it. We are killing it, man. I hope you're killing this market as well, buddy. I think we go lower. I'm up 2,700 on the day, thanks to CL. Woo! Grambo is killing it, man. Grambo, did you catch this pop here on CL? If you called that pop, I can see why. Because if you have 2,700 on CL, it's really not I mean, it is a little, it's volatile as it's $10 every tick. So, you know, NQ's only, you know, NQ's only 5 technically. I mean, it's a lot more expensive, but at the same time, you know, you can still make a crap ton on CL. I'm seeing a broadening wedge on ES on 15-minute. Might be going higher. A broadening wedge. So that means a wedge forming to the outside, correct? A broadening wedge. I've never heard that term before. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this. Is it Wednesday today or Tuesday? It's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Okay. Try to make sure. Let's see this here. Let's see this here. Yup. Might go up at what is it? Might go in at $88. 88 flat. You're going in. 88 flat. Ooh, that'd be a healthy pullback, bro. That'd be a healthy pullback. Oh, up. Got in at $88. Okay. I thought you said, I don't know why my brain read that as might go in at $88. Up, got in $88. Okay. Oh, word, bro. Yeah, dude, that is a printer, dude. Yeah, you caught that. You caught that whole move, dude. It's just been spiking all day. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that there on S&P and NQ following, man. That is awesome, guys. Oh, okay, so like a channel pattern. Like a channel pattern almost. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know why. I call those channel patterns. I've never, yeah. I don't know. I guess it's not, maybe it's not actually called that. A broadening wedge, right. Okay. 900 a mini, I had 3. Oh, okay, there you go, buddy. There you go. So you are chilling. You went in at $88. What time was that? Homie got in at the good old 8 a.m. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Wedges there or not. Okay. Yup, so like a channel would be like something like this, right? And a wedge is something like if I were to do this. Something like that. You see that? So like a channel's like these 2 lines here. A wedge is like those 2 right there. Okay. I don't know why. My brain, I understand what they both are. I just didn't know the proper terminology, I guess you would say. I just called both of them channel patterns for some reason. But yeah, you're definitely right on that, Torn Trader. They wouldn't both be called the same thing. Because then some trader would be like, you'd be like streaming or something, be like, oh dude, I see a channel pattern. It'd be like, where? It's like, well, right here. It's like, YB. Hey man, hey, listen. You're a great trader. You're doing great. You're doing honestly, you're doing awesome, man. You're a great guy. We love having you here. But are you dumb, bro? I'd be like, what? They'd be like, no. Are you actually like? Talk to me. Because that's a channel pattern. That's not a channel pattern. That's a broadening wedge, buddy. I'd be like, you'll be like, yeah. Well, no, that's cool. I just thought it was a channel pattern because you said so. So I took the trade and now I'm down 3,000. I just want to know, like, are you gonna reimburse me? I'll be like, oh shit. I'll be like, I got you with some Fruit Loops. You know, I got you with some Lucky Charms. You want a bowl of cereal? I got you, buddy. Don't you worry about it. Right? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm up at 5 a.m. every day. Rambo, not gonna lie, buddy. I don't know how you do that. I try to get up. See, I used to get up at 5 a.m. during, like I said, during wrestling season, bro. 100%, baby. We're on those games. We're on that grind. Hey, let's do it. You know, that's in like a month. What is it? September, October. That's in 2 months. So yeah, in like 2 months, I probably will be like that. But you know, other than that, give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. A channel in the sport versus trailer, yep. Sometimes with my job, I'm up overnight, then stay up to trade. That I can, yeah. I feel like that'd be like the most. You guys ever be in a okay? You guys don't sleep for the entire night before. And guys, I like this coming down here. I want to see this breakdown on NQ here. You ever be up for an entire night and then have to go do something in the morning, but you feel more energized than if you would have slept in the first place? You guys get what I'm saying? Like, you guys wake up and you're just like, I mean, you guys don't wake up, you guys go and do whatever you do, and you still feel energized, bro. And it's like, bro, you've been up for like 4 hours now. How are you functioning? You know what I mean? That I have no comment on. Okay, but like, not in Florida. We're talking, no, I'm kidding. No, we're talking like your normal, regular day-to-day. You know what I mean, man? You're just chilling out, vibing, and like, you know, adrenaline. Maybe it's adrenaline, you know. Or maybe it's, maybe it's a little bit, you know what I mean? Yeah. Whatever you gotta do to work your magic. All right. Said you gotta have a screw loose. I didn't say you had to have a drug loose, but you have to have a screw loose to be doing this. Oh man, that's probably my favorite terminology, bro, ever. You have to have a screw loose to be a trader. Can we all agree? I know there's something about every single one of you guys just a little bit different than the average person here, and that's okay. You know, whether it be that we're all jacked and super good looking, or you're a girl and you're just like, like you're also jacked and super good looking. I guess that goes both ways, right? There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah. Guys, I had a chest pump yesterday. I switched gyms yesterday. Yup. Went to a more commercial. And the thing is, dude, I didn't mind my gym. It just wasn't very commercial based. It was tinier, which, not saying that doesn't motivate me or anything, but when I walk in the gym, bro, and I see people slamming weights, bro, and just getting their pumps in and doing crazy stuff, that's good. But low key, bro, at this new gym, I think people care too much. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, it's a commercial gym. Okay, people are like, they're kind of like doing all their workouts. They're not being loud. They're kind of doing their thing. I come in there, bro. Yeah, buddy, let's get it. Come on, bro. And I'm sitting there, bro. I brought my girl up, bro. We were working out, and she's like, "Stop, be quiet." I'm like, "Dude," I'm like, "Get it up," and she's like, "Stop." I'm like, "Bro, I don't care." I'm like, "Dog, like, I don't know why people actually care." Like, some of them didn't. Some of them definitely did, though. I'm just like, "Listen, bro." I'm like, "Listen, I'm here to hit a pump. I'm gonna be loud when I'm hitting a pump." Name of the game, moving the money. Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Wolf of Wall Street has to be the most, like, when I watched that movie, bro. If you guys haven't watched it, guys, there's probably ways to watch it for free. I just got it on YouTube. Like, you can just buy it for YouTube on like for $5. So take some of the profits from today, go buy that movie. This is your homework from tonight from YB. I want you to sit there and I want you to feel the power rushing through your body at the amount of money that circulates in the world, bro. At the amount of money all around, baby. Now, surely it's a really dirty way to make money how he did it, but guess what? Guess what? I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty cool. It was pretty wild, I will say. All right. So, like, dude, imagine, just feel the power, bro. Anytime I watch that movie, I'm just sitting there like, bah, 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 you know. Oh, is it really? Oh shit. Yeah, bro. There you go. Yup. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah? And then when you're sitting around, you're gonna sit around your house. You're gonna look around. You're gonna realize, well, it's a Saturday. What do I do? What's the point? You're like, do I buy a yacht in Florida? Do I go all the way to Morocco? Do I go to Morocco? I don't know. Hey, don't ever say YB don't turn up. Don't ever say YB don't turn up.
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Bell third. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, tripping.
Hold on, dude. I got a bunch of ones here.
I just popped the Molly and I think it's be my third. Jordan Bell third.
Called fun coupons. Actually, he used hundreds. I have ones. I'm not.
I've been getting
I'm not liking him yet. Got fun coupons. Get some of them. Alright, we're good. Sorry guys, got a little crazy there. I'm actually gonna need those later. Those are, I have them pulled out just in case, like, yeah, okay. No comment. So let's all collect some fun coupons today, ladies and gentlemen. Are we good with that? Are we good with that, ladies and gentlemen? You guys all want some fun coupons? Right? You guys all good with that? Glad we're on the same page, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, these are actually from Florida, guys, and it's like $61 bills. Don't worry, guys. You guys have more in, like, quite literally your wallets right now. So don't be like, YB, why'd you throw a bunch of ones at me? I'm sorry. I got a little excited. So we're chilling out. Woo! Yeah, buddy, play that tune. You already know, guys. You already know. Got you, ZZ. ZZ, man. Don't you even worry about it, buddy. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are all chilling out. Hope you guys are enjoying today. Killing today. Murdering this market. My favorite part of that entire movie, bro, is when the beating, bro. Not like the first time, I'm talking about the second time. When he's like, I'm not leaving. And then he just like starts, and they all just start going crazy, bro. It's just so much adrenaline, bro. That's what I think, guys. If Kush, when Kush finishes Exchange, I want you guys to know, YB might be there. Not only will YB might be there. Will I buy an office? I don't know if I'll go all the way, down there to do all that. But I do think I want to get a little crazy. I do think it could be. Think about it, guys. It's a place where all of us wild-ass tradecasters. Hold on, pause the music. Let's all think about this realistically here for 1 second. 1 second here. Do you think that place is going to be wild? Now, I'm not talking like burn the building down type wild. I'm talking like we have a bunch of tradecaster members up in there, right? Not only just a bunch of tradecaster members, a bunch of traders in general. Making a crap ton of money every single day, right? Blasting music all the time. Getting wild when you're making thousands upon thousands, I just think it's going to get a little crazy up in that building, bro. I'm just putting it out there. I've been thinking about that for a while. I'm like, you're getting a bunch of, like, almost like lions. You're getting a bunch of lions in the wilderness. You're getting all of them and you're putting them in one building. I'm not saying like they're going to fight. I'm saying they're going to turn up. You know what I mean? So it's going to get crazy up in that building, bro. Yeah, buddy. Woo! What's up, Tyree? So, ladies and gentlemen, that's my thoughts there. That's my personal thoughts on Exchange, on what's going to happen. I don't think Kush is ready for it. I don't think he thought about that yet. I don't know how many traders are like me. All I know is, like, if YB enters that building, baby, we're going to turn up. All right. Woo. Microsoft meta, Amazon puts. You're in on all three puts. Not a bad play. This looks like it's about to be a high or low crack, though. So you're chilling right now. If this breaks, high or low crack, I might get an NQ. One contract to the downside, guys. One contract. Remember, I started off like that. Always 1 to 2. Rocking the Tesla calls over this morning. Sitting back and relaxing now. Yeah, buddy. Let's see where all these plays are at. We're going to move CL for 1 second. Move some of these food. I shouldn't have done that, guys. Now I got to clean this place up. A bunch of fun coupons everywhere. All right, let's see this. We'll start with Microsoft. Microsoft, printing. We'll go Meta. Meta, printing. We'll go Amazon. Amazon. Torn Trader. These were all high or low cracks. You are printing on all of these. And on the opposite end, you are printing right now, Tyree. I'd be cautious now that we're underneath the 200 view up and 50 day though for some downside momentum. So if you are in, I would lock up a little bit of it if you're in on it. It's sitting right around that point of the 200. So you are technically still good. It's just a little scary, you know what I mean? Because if it cracks this, oh, definitely. Looking at puts now. Okay, word. I'll just say, yeah, it's a little scary, but I'm not going to lie. It could, locked out 2K profit. Oh, there we go, baby. There we go. NQ cracking lower. This is what we're looking at here, guys. So I got it up right here, NQ. I'll sell one. I'm looking for this to break, and I'm looking for this auto trend line to break, guys. Starting to break here, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to break here, guys.
Order filled.
I'm getting in. It's a little bit of an early entry, guys, but I think we can flush, guys. I think with the S&P cracking this low, if it continues here, it's going to flush, guys. We're going to get that nice big flush to the downside. It has to hold beneath its auto trend line. Now, that was a little bit of an early entry, a premature entry, but sometimes that's okay. Sometimes that's the best idea in the world, so that you catch the whole break to the downside, guys. Like that right there, sometimes it's the best idea in the world, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes you just gotta print a little bit. You just gotta look at yourself in the mirror and go, you are that guy, baby. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Feel good about yourselves is what I'm trying to say. Feel awesome about the job you have, what you do, what you work. You guys are all printing right now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go back to Microsoft, Tesla. We'll go back to it all. Right now, right there's... Close. There we go. Microsoft, you're printing right there, Torn Trader. Meta. Let's see Meta here. Meta, you're printing on as well. I'm waiting and watching now. I think this can even go lower here on NQ. That's what I'm looking at. I want to see it go lower. And Amazon, you're also printing on these cracks, guys. You guys are all printing, man. Let's see that green and red on NQ. Green and red on NQ. Flash me. Dump me. Bring me down to 50. All right. Bring me down to 50, NQ. I know you can do it. I know you want to do it anyways. I know you want to do it. S&P's auto trend line's down here, so I'll probably TP right around that area of 30. Right around that area of 30. Now, there we go. There we go. Next leg down coming into play here. We want to see 50 come in. Little dump of Ruski right down to 50. You want it to break 50, guys. S&P on that red move can continue to dump. Get a good old dump of Ruski. It's wraps. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. It's going to get that sell-off. I'm waiting on that one big sell-off, guys. I'm waiting on that one big sell-off that might happen right here. If it goes green or red here below 50, you guys are good. You just don't want to double bottom. You just don't want to double bottom. Guys, green or red here. Starting to flash. Ladies and gentlemen, you just don't want to double bottom, guys. You just don't want to double bottom here. I want to see that red come in. I want to see that red come in. Do it, NQ! Give me it. Give these traders what they want to see. They want to see it below 50. Give it to them below 50, ladies and gentlemen. Here you go. Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see that Dumperuski pushing in new lows here now. Let's see it. Come on, S&P. You're so close to holding those lows. I want to see it hold those lows. I want to see it flash. We're waiting on that one big break. Waiting on that one big sell-off. Give it to them. Yeah. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. There it is, guys. Underneath 50. Now she goes. This is what you were looking for, guys. So you want to see this continue to hold. Continue to get that Dumperuski you were looking for. Got my finger on the sell button. I'm going to get out.
Order filled.
Think, taking it. 8-10 on the day. So there you guys go. There you guys go. TP'd. Good TP there as well. Guys, why'd I get out? YB, what made you get in? What made you get out? Lower high starting to break out to the downside. I see that we're coming down to potentially what was the higher low break. Guys, I very much suggest, I'm pretty sure AK might have made a video in the library of the higher lows already. If he did, I very much suggest going to learn them. It's really not hard to learn, okay? You guys don't even do, here, I'll explain it right now. 1 touch of a point, 2 touches of a point. Right here's a 3rd touch, guys. And this is a perfect trap pattern as well, guys. Everything matched up. A trap pattern, a red candle, followed by a green candle, followed by another red flusher, guys. Here it is, higher low pattern. Right here is 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, all aiming towards the high side. The only thing that can happen with higher lows is they can continue to build up until they break out. If we go to CL today, look at CL. Guys, CL, this is a higher low pattern, right? Look what happened on CL though. It did the opposite. It broke out to the top side. Now this is why you take them at the higher low crack, ladies and gentlemen. Higher low crack, 1 touch, 2 touch, bink. There it is, guys. And then you print profit underneath. The reason I wanted it underneath 50 was to see if this would continue. It's creating separation from its trend line now, guys. So, little pointers, nothing too crazy. Sitting good. All right, we're sitting good. Hopefully you guys are sitting good as well. Woo! I guess I'm fun. You guys having fun today? You guys killing it? So that is what I've just been playing right now, ladies and gentlemen. Woo. Waiting for the iPhone 15 release drama. Oh, that is coming out today. Apple. There we go. Maury's saying, so where do you get in at? You get in if you want to do, and this is a scary part, but you can. You can do an almost premature entry where it would be, I got in on NQ, right? On the lower high. So this is the lower high, but I was looking for the S&P higher low break. Hold on. Turn the music down. Let me pause it for a second so I can explain this to Maury. Okay, so higher low. You get in on the crack. So you see how this candle flushes here? You got to be cautious on these reversals, but 9 times out of 10, you got some wiggle room. So once it starts to crack, if it doesn't crack this much, you can wait for a confirmation candle, but more or less just get in on this. Your risk to reward is if it would do this, okay? Let me bring out the snip tool. You get in on that next candle down below the higher low pattern, right? So look at, okay, here's another one right here. Look at this, 1 touch, 2 touch, look at this third one. Boom, comes down, you wait for the confirmation candle. You see this is way less significant as this. This was a rather large crack. So this one, you kind of got to jump in where you kind of want to. I would say I got in on this candle. So on this one, though, you wait for the confirmation. Next candle comes in, boom, you would have been green. You wouldn't back to break even on it, but eventually you would have printed on that. You would have printed on that sell-off, man. So let me explain this to you one more time on what it is. Your entry, give me green. Your entry is at the crack. So I'd say somewhere right around here, right? You're looking at this right here. Give me red. You're looking at higher low. You're looking for this to come down, and boom, see how it dumps off, starts to sell off. Made the move all the way down, and then why did I take profit where I took profit? What made me take profit at 50 here on NQ? Another thing here, lower highs coming in. Lower highs coming in on NQ down to this low. Here's the auto trend line that has been holding up all day. Comes down into play, breaks, get in on that break. I got in on a premature entry, but sometimes the premature entries work out the best, right? This is a perfect, this is a perfect trap pattern. Look, here it comes again. Guys, here it comes again, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, I'm tempted to get in right now. Oh my goodness, I'm so tempted to get in. I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Give it a second. I'm trying to explain this. Anyways, so my premature entry, a trap pattern, if you don't know as well, you can get in on. This is why it was even more critical. You had a red candle, followed by a tiny green candle, followed by a big red candle. Okay? What does that mean? YB, are you just making stuff up? YB, I think you're making stuff up. No. A red candle, so let's say you have a nice big red candle here, okay? Sure, we'll say whatever. Nice big red candle, something like that. Okay? Let's say you have a tiny green candle. Like a little top wick. This next red candle that comes in is going to sell off. That is the strategy right there. And you get in on this sell-off. You can get in on that sell-off right there. So you see that right there? That's what it looks like. Does this... Okay, see this? Nice big red candle coming in, or a red candle in general. It doesn't matter. It can't be too still, guys. That's a good play right there. If you guys took that, guys, I'm trying to explain this, so I might get in on this. It looks good, guys. This looks good for the downside push. I'm gonna give it a second to see what's gonna happen on this candle.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in and ride this for a couple bucks. I'm gonna get in and ride this for a couple dollars down, guys. I want to see if it can. Now, oh my goodness. Oh, that 11 a.m. candle. Oh, that 11 a.m. candle. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Give it a second. I'm giving it a second. I forgot. 11 a.m. I should have waited for the hourly candle to close, guys. I should have waited for the hourly candle to close, ladies and gentlemen. It's okay. What are now? We're now 2. I want to see if this will pull back, though. I want to see what's going to go on here. I might DCA real quick on 1, and then I'll, kind of call it there. There we go. Starting to pull back down immediately, guys. Hold on. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Hold your horses. Hold your flags. I want to see. I'm waiting, but that's the strategy, okay? This one was a bit riskier. I knew it. It looked good, but it is risky. I knew going into this. This is why I wasn't thinking about taking it. I knew it was a bit riskier than the other ones, but that's essentially the strategy right there, ladies and gentlemen. So now you want to see some red continue here. If it's going to go green too much here, you got to cut it. I'll cut it for a 210 loss. I'm still up 600 in the day. It just depends on what S&P and NQ are going to do. I don't want to hold for too much longer. 285. I do think we're going to flush again. I know we are. It depends where. Like, if this candle wants to flush on me, that'd be great. Thanks for the explanation. Really appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Yup. So I'm waiting and watching right now. Seeing if this is going to come right back down. I think it can, guys. I almost want to DCA. I do think it can come back down. It has some resistance up there that can formulate.
Order filled.
I DCA'd in on 1 for that breakdown, right back down to the 4-6 levels, seeing if it can come back in. S&P looks good for another red candle to come down and maybe punch in those lows again, guys. S&P looks good if we can hold these levels. I don't know how long until this candle closes. Hold down these lows, and another red candle Dumperuski is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a Dumperuski here. A good red candle, guys. Give me a good red Dando S&P. Give me a good one. A nice, good Duparuski. Coming into play here, guys. Let me flip that. Boom. 2 right there. Coming into play here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for like 4 or 5 areas. Where am I filled at? 5-2. If it comes down to 4 or 5, guys, take it. TP. Oh. Okay. All right. It's okay. I'm just got lost in the sauce right there. It's okay. We're back to normal. All right. I want to see that red come in and hold, guys. That is the game plan. You want to see that red come in and hold. It has to hold, though. Has to hold for that. What'll happen is you get a nice big Dumparuski here. If not, it will start flipping green. I'm gonna cut it.
Order
I'm gonna cut it. I'm taking 449 on the day. I'm not gonna give up the gains on the day on like a bad trade. I refuse. I'm still good on the day. I'll still take it, baby. One also outside of Bollinger Band. Yeah, Spy called a bounce off the 200 MA on the 15-minute. Yeah, man. I do think we're gonna continue to flush. I just don't know the exact. Like, if I don't know the exact time, obviously, I mean, I don't predict the market. I trade it, but I'm gonna kind of give it a second. I'm gonna wait a little bit on it. You know what I mean? Because if I'm already green on the day, I don't really have to force any more trades. Like, I'm chill with where I'm at. 449. Yeah, because I only need to make 3K more. I think we could bounce here for a little while. Do I ultimately think we're going to start to come down again? Yes. Am I a long-term trader? No. Spy caught a bounce off 200 MMA 15-minute. Yeah, buddy. Woo. We still good at it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Let me see what's going on with Apple, guys. Apple, is it going crazy due to the fact that it has that release coming up? Actually, it's doing the opposite. It's tanking, dude. Apple really selling off, man. See here, guys. With the rumor, what? Buy the rumor, sell the news. Apple did the same thing last time I had an Apple. Last time I had an Apple event. Yup. It's going crazy to the downside right now, man. This stock, man. People are definitely gonna start. You know, it's kind of the opposite right now. It's sell the rumor, buy the news. I'm assuming is what's gonna happen. You know, but I get yeah, exactly. I get what you're saying there, Graham. But it's the exact same thing, just opposite. It's just. And do I think that's how Tesla goes too? Yeah. I could see this little higher low pattern, guys. Right here it is. Little higher low starting to come into play. If this holds up for a little bit longer here, it would be a little bit more critical. Boom, right there, guys. A little bit of higher low. Boom, that breaks, starts coming down. So if the market will start to chop around now, I will keep my hands off. I'll take up my 449 on the day. I'm not against that. That's still a good day. I really can't wait to get this account going, bro. They are messing with me, bro. They're asking 1.5 million questions, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. They're asking 1.5 million questions until I can get that one account going, man. So I can't pull back on the London close, then another leg down. Yup. Yeah, London close is coming up in the next like 30 minutes. Right there's that look at that 50-day touch right there on the S&P. Tempting. I'm thinking about it. Maybe one contract. Wait and see what happens here.
Order filled.
Guys, I'm gonna get in here on this little pullback here. I'm just looking to catch a little bit of a move there. Just a little bit of a move. Just a little bit of a move. Nothing too wild, guys. Nothing too crazy. Am I doing anything too awful or too amazing or too crazy for you guys to understand here? Nothing too wild here. So now you're looking for it to break that 50 spot. Break 50. Break 50 for me. If it breaks 50, it's going down. That's going to be that support level. If it breaks 50, now we might be able to punch in those lows, guys. That's essentially the 4,650 mark right there. Just waiting on it. I'll probably lock it up once it comes back down to 50, guys. I'm not going to hold hope. I don't like hoping. Give me that last dip down to 50, ladies and gentlemen. Give me that last down, right down to 50 again. Let's see it. If you want to dump Ruski a little bit more than that, that's good, but I'm short 2. I'm short 2 contracts. Okay, that's why. Word. I didn't mean to be short 2. I meant to be short 1, but it's okay. It's okay. Everything works out for a reason. Everything works out for a reason, guys. You guys all aware of that? You guys all aware of that? See, I want to see that come down, guys. I want to see that come down, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a green or red. Give me a green or red. Give me a green or red, S&P. Give me a green or red here, and you're good. You're golden, baby. You're looking like a frosted flake on a Saturday morning. You're looking like you want to just be, you know, amazing. You want to be an amazing stock, an amazing ticker, an amazing everything, guys. Green or red coming into play. Break 50, guys. It's wraps. Breaks 50, it's wraps, guys. Break 50. Hit me with it. Hit me with it. Do it. You're so close. You're so close, bro. You break 50, you're going down. I know it can, bro. Guys, 60, 70, 80, 90. Red coming into play. 110, 120, 40, 30, 40, 50, 150, 70, 80, 200, 210. Starting to come in. Let's see that red. Let's see that red. Guys, there it is. Guys, there it is. There's that break.
Order
I'm
filled.
going to lock it up. Wipe my hands clean. I'm wiping my hands clean. All right, slate's clean. We're back up to 6-0. That's good. I feel good at 6. I feel good at 6 on the day. I feel good at 6. You know what I mean? You guys ever get that feeling? It's like if you guys make $1 on the day, you're probably going to be like, I don't know. I probably can still trade. You make 2, you're probably going to be like, I'm good. I'm done trading, right? Right? You guys make, and for some of you guys, I'm just trying to be the cheapest, obviously. The cheapest. You know what I mean? So for some of you guys, it's 1,000. For some of you guys, it's 10,000. For some of you guys are looking at me, laughing at me right now, going, YB, you have paper hands. YB, your hands look like this. Your hands look like this right now. Listen. Bro, how do I work on this, guys? Somebody tell me. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I love trading. I love doing everything we're doing, guys. We are murdering the market. How the fuck do I work on paper hands, bro? Someone tell me. Someone tell me. Seriously, like, what? That's how Tesla goes, bro. Like, guys, I'm telling you guys, how do I work on paper hands, bro? Someone let your boy know. We broke 50. Now we're starting to... Oh, my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I just don't know. I just don't get it. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, this hurts to watch, guys. Oh, look at that sell-off, bro. There is no chance, bro. There is no chance, bro. I have paper hands, bro. I'm sorry, guys. Some of you guys are like, I'm just going to do what YB does, but sell about 2 minutes after he sells. I think that's the new strategy. Do what YB does, but don't copy trade. Obviously, take your own trades. But sell 2 minutes afterwards. Okay, guys? That's the new strategy. You know, I sell up here. You guys sell down here. You know? I get in, you know. Oh, my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen. Caught that with 5 minis to the downside. 4 points. That is crazy, bro. Oh, my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. I can't get in now. I'm chasing. ES looks good for a potential sell-off below its 200, though. That is one thing I will say. This is the first time it's been on its 200 since the gap up. Guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's good. It's okay. We're chilling, baby. I'm not mad or anything, guys. I'm not frustrated or anything. I'm just astonished. There it is, Apple. Break of the higher low pattern, guys. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4. Bink, right there's your TP. So, or not even TP. You can take a little bit off the table, lock up some. Now it's a free trade. Now your break even is essentially it's gonna be break even. It's a free trade right now, guys. Get in on this candle. See how it ended a little bit out. Boom. Now take some profit. When you go back to break even, get out. So if it touches right here, you're gonna make about $0 or whatnot. You may pay like a couple dollars in commissions, but you do have the possibility, or take profit right now and lock up however much you have. You know what I mean? Be smart with your plays. Woo! So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting on Apple 175 on weekly. Apple 175 on the weekly chart. Okay. Okay, you're waiting on the weekly chart there, ZZ. Let's see this. Let me check it out. I actually don't look at the weekly too much. Oh, I even have it marked, though. You're good. Oh, I have 172 marked. No, 173. 175 is going to be... I mean, that 7.5 point, that seems to have some resistance there. I have 76. Yup. Ladies, you're good, ZZ. Just be a little bit cautious coming into it. I will say I'd look for 72 for the, you know, right crack. We break, what is it? We back even? Yeah, buddy. That's what I love to see, ZZ. Woo! Buddy's killing it. Buddy is killing it. I love to see it, baby. So yeah, if you guys are following along with the trading and everything, we've been killing it. All right. All right, we have been killing it. We're gonna continue to kill it, guys. There's no stopping the train, baby. I feel good on 600. I'm not gonna lie, guys. If I end the day right now up that, I'm good. All right. I do kind of want to tune into the Apple event. Anyone have, I haven't looked into it as I don't really trade too many blue chips anymore. I will give you guys charting if you ask me though on blue chips. I have no problem. I know my stuff with blue chips and penny stocks. I just don't ask me about no. You guys want to know about Forex? That's the only thing. If you guys are talking about like pips and like stuff like that, ask Caesar. I'm not even gonna lie. Go to Caesar. That man trades it like a hawk. All right, but I will definitely give you guys. I know the ins and outs, obviously blue chips or whatnot. But yeah, anyone know when the exact time is for the Apple event? 15 low sales of wine, 5G. What is that? Howie's 5G phone? 1 p.m. Okay, word. 1 p.m. there. All right, thank you there, Ali. Maury saying 1 p.m. as well. Okay, thank you, Maury. Yep, there we go. Okay, so 1 p.m. Will I be live for that? Probably not. I will be around though. I'm not gonna trade it, but I'll be tuned in for it. I'm not gonna trade it, but I'll be tuned in for it. Okay, guys. I just want to see what the iPhone also looks like. To be honest, did they change up the design at least? Like, does it look like new at all? Quick ES long. There you go. You can print right here. I have it open on the 15. Let's see it. Get that green for Torn Trader here. You're good, Torn Trader. Let's see this thing continue here, bro. You have room up to that 50-day, guys. Oh, you're chilling, bro. Yeah, I just want to see what it looks like. Anyone else kind of interested? Like, I probably won't buy it, but I'm kind of, like, interested. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm kind of like, is it going to look any different? If it looks the same as a 14, bro, I'm not buying it. I might buy the 13 then because it's, like, $400 cheaper, probably, at this point. Oh, man. Wait, watch out for potential reversal here. If you're in the green, maybe TP a little bit here and just make it a break-even trade. Make it a little bit of a break-even trade. Let's see. I want this to continue here. I don't want this to reverse. Start to wick down. Yeah, I got a tight stop. Yup. Yeah, that's smart. Yeah, this market has been falling all day. I don't, the exact cause always, differentiates. It could be because most of these blue chips are also falling due to the Apple news coming out. Sell the rumor, buy the news situation. It could be just that week of, last week was kind of a little bit of a choppy week. It could just be natural momentum to the downside due to the fact we have CPI data tomorrow. It could be a million different things, guys. So if you don't, you should always wake up and ask yourself, what do you think the market's going to do today? Don't be biased towards it, but just kind of get that understanding. Be like, okay, what is a cause that the market could drop today? Okay, this, and that. What's a reason the market could spike today? Okay, this, and that. Last week we had a little bit of selling pressure coming in. We had a little bit of a slower week, a little bit of chop. Now buyers are going to be coming in and really looking to take this thing off and above as they did yesterday. Today though, we have the Apple news coming out. CPI data is tomorrow. Everything like that. Natural drift to the downside, guys. So 15-minute candle nasty. Oh, on the on ES, yeah. Yeah, and it's right. My fear is look at the last time it was at that 200, guys. It respected that 200 a lot. Couldn't break above it, couldn't hold above it. Once it did hold above it, now we're going to see if we're going to bounce here. If we don't bounce here, guys, we have a lot of room to fall, and we have a gap to fill, guys. Now, will that be in consideration? I don't know. I can't tell you. I'm not too confirmed with ES. Obviously, it correlates with the S&P. So if this has a gap to fill, that means the S&P has a gap to fill somewhere, right? Isn't that how that works? Which I don't think the S&P really has a gap to fill. You know what I mean? So it's like, I don't know how that would really work. You know what I'm saying? Because if ES drops all the way back down to 4770, will that make the S&P also fall dollars upon dollars down to like 40? Like 440? You know what I mean? Or will ES do that overnight as you get the dark pool traders that are allowed, the billionaires, the BlackRock CEOs and the Elon Musk of the world that are going to be able to trade that, they'll be taking their profits and everything on it. You know what I mean? On the weekend. So do you think that's going to happen, or do you think, I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see if that gap gets filled. I'm out. Okay, word. Did you how was that? How was it, Torn Trader? Green on it? Good to go? Took 1K loss. No, okay, okay. For you, you know, that's like buying a cake at like Dairy Queen for you. So that's what I get it. I get it. That's like one of my fun coupons, you know. So good stuff, Torn Trader. Hey, at least you saw the opportunity there. You took the trade and you had the opportunity there. You know, that could have went up to the 50 day and you could have made, you know, 5K though. So, you know, your RR ratio is pretty clean on it though. Atta man. Atta man. We're all chilling, baby. We're all chilling. Woo! So we are having an amazing day. Still see a bounce, but looking weak. Yeah. The only thing I see is if we start to reverse for the day. So if I bring up the 1 minute, this is what I see. I see if we're going to start, this will be the bottom here. We're going to start to reverse for the day. We're going to come up to that 50. We're going to break the 50 on the S&P. And we're going to start to push to these highs of the view up, the 200, and maybe reverse off of that. You know. What's up, Mike? What's up, Mike Trader? Hope you're killing today. SPY could bounce at 446. 446. Yeah. These whole dollars, half dollars, quarter dollars, 75-cent marks. Oh, look at that on the 1 hour, guys. Ascending triangle pattern on the 1 hour. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. 446 does have some natural resistance, natural support. Old resistance, new support, baby. Getting into it. 30M MACD pointing straight down. No way I'm trying to long right now. Oh yeah? I don't really use the MACD too much. All I'm saying is if it does start to reverse here, goes up to the 50 day, bink, breaks it, goes up to the view up in the 200. Hey, that would be a hefty reversal right there. All right, I don't use the MACD and everything too much. I'm trying to use the book trader, but for the last few days it hasn't been working with the S&P. I mean, excuse me, ES. I don't know why. Maybe they found out our tactics here, Grambo. Our tactics of just every time we refresh it, we get it for free 99. So, chilling out, man. Oh man, guys, it's a wild day. It's a wild day. How are you guys feeling? Are you guys all doing good on the day? Are you guys all decently green? Has anyone recently taken like a really big red day? Recently? Has anyone recently, like, trading with me or trading with any of these like amazing streamers here? Has anyone recently taken like a really big red day? I don't know. I just feel like the month of September has been like pretty good to us, man. You know, like so far, I don't know, like knock on wood and everything. Like I just feel like the month of September, the action's been decent. Not the best, but decent. My win ratio is about 86%, so I always take some losers. Yeah, that's so good though. That's so great. You know what I mean? I need to really calculate mine. I'm not gonna lie, man. I really need to calculate mine. What am I at today? Let's see what I'm at today. Okay, hold on. Let me pull this up. I want to do it with you guys, but I don't want to cover these charts. Okay, I guess I'm covering these charts. Hold on. Let's see this. Hold up. Hold up. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. Alright, so. How do I max this out? Can I make this bigger? Buy one, sell one. Okay, so one trade. Buy one, sell one. Two trade. Buy one, sell one. Three trade. Buy one, sell one. Four trade. Buy one, buy one. Oh, we got a lot more than I thought, bro. I use TradeZella to analyze my trades. That's how I know my ratio. Okay, okay. I think Kush said something about TradeZella as well. I gotta tap into that. Okay, here, I'll just do it over here so I can full screen this. Nice, nice full screen. How do I open up? Can I just open up? Sorry guys, you guys are like, oh, it's a little bit slower right now. Give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. There we go. Alright. Give me also 1 second. Alright, we're chilling out, guys. Oh, don't you bounce ES. Woo! I don't analyze my trades because they would just be DCA trades. I mean, yeah, right? Right, Grambo? Buddy understands. Buddy gets it. Don't you bounce ES. ES starting to get that little bit of a pop. If it breaks that, I'm saying if it breaks that 50, You got to be cautious. I'm waiting right now. I'm just going to chill out. Hands are off the table. All right, so we got one. Okay. So we're going to go from, okay, buy one, sell one, so one trade. Let's see if I can even do this. Buy one, sell one, one trade. Buy one, sell one, two. Buy one, sell one, three. Buy one, sell one, one. Buy one, sell one, two. Buy one, sell one, three. Buy one, sell one, four. Buy one, sell one. Wait, buy one. 5. Sell by 6. Sell by 7. Sell by 8. Sell by buy 9. Sells by 10. I got 10 trades on the day, ladies and gentlemen. Pull back for continuation down. Guys, potential put play right here. Right at that 50. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been respected multiple times here, guys. Just waiting and watching, guys. Take it with light size. Always take these bounces with light size, but 1 time, 2 time, right around there. Held up here, 3-time bounce, right? Coming into play. So just be cautious. If it breaks this, get out. You have room all the way up to the view up in 200, but I say right here is a bounce play, guys. So I have 10 trades on the day. All right, well, it does not tell me my price. I think I'm 8 for 10 on the day. I think I'm 8 for 10. I'm just going to go. I think, quote me if I'm wrong, guys, but I'm 8 for 10 on the day. That's good enough for me. I'll take it. Okay, we're good. I'm 8 for 10 on the day, guys. I don't always look at, like, my account. I don't really, like, it's not my, you know, I don't really care too much. I'm telling you, this thing can pull back, guys. This thing can pull back, break this little higher low pattern that's been, like, holding up. But if it's not going to pull back, it's going to break. And here's what it's going to do. It's like, okay, no shit, YB, it's going to break the 50-day. If it would have, it came up and broke this 50-day, it would break it, and then you want to get out. You want to get out at 60. Okay, why do you want to get out up here? Boom, right there it is, guys. I'm no genius. I'm no genius, I swear. I swear, bro. I failed in, like, math class, like, 3 times. All right, why? Just because I didn't really, like, care, all right? Like, you know what I mean? Like, there's nothing wrong with it. I'd actually fail it. All right, hold on, let's go. I'm a straight D student, all right? Do I recommend getting C's and above? Yes, 100%. All right, if I have kids, they will be getting C's and above. Oh, I'm sorry, man. This is how it works. All right, me personally, I'm no dad. All right, some of you guys already understand. Some of you guys are parents. Like, YB, if you were my kid, it would have been rough, buddy. All right, no kid of mine getting a D. All right, you're like, yeah. Anyways, you don't need straight A's. Is what I'm trying to say. You don't need to go to Harvard to analyze this. Comes up. 50-day touch. Well, it seems to have bounced here. Well, it seems to have, rejected here. Well, it seems that it has support here. It seems to have low-key riding this line, a little bit of support here. Okay. Well, I know the 50-day plays out beforehand, so let's play it out. Boom. Right there it is, guys. Hallelujah to you. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. I'll take 50% of all the profits you guys made today. Make sure to send them through, buddy. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. I'm glad you guys are up. Pull back for continuation down. CL pulling back, currently up 150 a mini. Let's pull this up. Yeah, buddy. That went away quick. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have loaded up the chart, Rambo. I'm sorry. It's that YB luck, bro. I'm telling you, man. It's that YB luck, baby. It's crazy. It's a good one. It's a crazy one, man. Woo! So I hope everyone over on YouTube's doing amazing. Hope you guys are killing the market. So, yeah, man. Hope everyone over on here, TradeCaster as well, is murdering the market, of course. Here's that pullback now. Coming into play on the S&P. You want to see this higher low break, guys. Quick. I think we're topped out on CO today, though. 82, what is this? That is definitely some resistance right around this area. Tesla, Apple, Netflix, AMD, Nvidia, Amazon, all red today. I think Apple is dragging them all down. I agree, Deck. I will say that. I was trying to think of the reason the market is red today. Now, I wasn't biased to the green side. I was just thinking of the reason. You know what I mean? Like, you ever do that? You just think of a reason? So, I do think that Apple could be one of the main reasons dragging it down. You know, sell the rumor, buy the news is going to happen when the Apple event comes out. But I also think I don't know. I think it could just be that natural drift to the downside now. You know, from yesterday. Yesterday we had not a massive green day. We had a green day. I wouldn't say massive, but a decent green day. Guys, a little higher low break, ladies and gentlemen, starting to come into play. We're going to see what happens here. It's so the market can spike on the falsely deflated CPI data tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Yup, 8:30 a.m. EST. Guys, I think I'm gonna be live for that. I think I'll do it. I might be live for that. I might hop off afterwards. What is it? But yeah. Sorry guys, I've seen that. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, it's more or less, you know, fucking, sorry man, I read a text, I was like, whoa, what? Yeah man, I think it's more or less due to the CPI, Apple coming into play, and just everything all in all, baby. Getting her going, ladies and gentlemen. We are printing and profiting here. Woo! We're killing the market. Kill the market, baby. Murder it with me. It's the game plan here, huh? Yeah, buddy. So, keeping this party rolling, guys. Keeping this party going, guys. We got it, baby. We got it. Nothing wrong with us. We got it. Yeah, buddy. You gotta always keep the vibes high, baby. So, hope you guys love it. Hope you guys are having fun. Hope you guys are loving this day. Alright, it's a nice Tuesday. It's a great Tuesday, guys. Can't complain. That air's fresh right now. It's getting a little bit more brisk. I woke up this morning, walked downstairs, and you know, you feel the back door wind once it's open. You feel it on you. You take a deep breath, and I smell the leaves dying. I smell them falling to the ground, and us gonna stomp on them. You know, you gotta rake. It's raking. Oh, it's raking season. That's one thing I don't like about fall. Is that there's always that. Very good way to make some money though. Anyone here looking for a small business to open? Start raking people's leaves. You want to know what people hate worse than mowing? Raking leaves. Yeah. It's one of the top, I think it's one of the top 3 things that people absolutely hate when it comes to yard work, is raking leaves. That, mowing your yard, if you got to push more, I know you hate it. I know it. You can admit it. I know you hate it. What else? Get yourself a billy goat. Eat all the, you could do that. They will eat all your leaves. That is true. What else do people hate? Weed whacking. Weed whacking. I know people hate weed whacking in that. Think about this right now, guys. I want you to do this with me. I want you to do this with me, and you're not going to like it. Pause the music. Do this with me right now. Close your eyes. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to think about it. It's 97 degrees outside. You're dripping in sweat. You're weed whacking right now. You know, you got your glasses on. You're wearing shorts because it's so hot out. You don't want to wear pants. And all these little grass things are sticking to your leg. You're starting to get a little itchy. A little bit. You're starting to get a little itchy because it's starting to hit your body, the rest of your body. You're dripping in sweat, man. You know that you have to do this for the next, like, 3 hours because you have your entire yard to do, man. You're going all around. You're trying to pick it off. You got bugs flying on you and everything like that. And it's just a terrible, terrible time all around, man. And you're like, you know, you're thinking to yourself right now, like, man, I can't wait for this to be over. I'm going to crack a cold one. And then the next thing you know, you have another yard to do or something in it. And it just keeps going. You're all itchy. So, guys, can't wait for fall. You don't got to worry about any of that. Alright, at least fall, you have to bundle up. You gotta bundle up a little. You gotta wear a sweatshirt. You know? Unless you're in, like, Puerto Rico or something, guys. Then, you know, whew, that heat's gonna be crazy all year round. There's my bounce looking at long again. Okay. There we go. There we go. This is what I love about trading. We made 4 trades, nailed each one, and now you have the entire day ahead with over $1,200 in the bank account. Best job in the world, baby. You already know. Deck gets what we're saying, baby. Deck understands why we're here every day, right? All right, Deck grabbed himself a couple fun coupons today. All right, he understands the motto, the game plan. Glad to see you're making some money there, bud. He's per the usual, man. Man's printing, dude. I love it. I love to see it, actually. I love it. I'm glad, dude. I think I love it when every single streamer here is profiting and printing. You know, that's amazing. You know, you got myself, bro. You got myself up here. You got, who else we got? Who else is live right now? Myself, Active. Active doesn't always stream his trades or whatnot. He doesn't always stream his trades to everyone, to, you know, the public or whatnot, because he feels as if it's not right. But he's still printing, hopefully, if he's trading today. You know? Deck, obviously printing. So, baby, it's a good day. It's a great day. So, yeah, buddy. You got Caesar as well. He's not live right now, but Caesar, always printing, always profiting. Doing great. Kush, Kush always printing, profiting, doing great as well. Killing the market. Surely he's having $500,000 days, but you know, we're going to get there. I'm with you, Torn Trader. Matt D. Curling. Yeah, this was I held too tight of a stop loss. Touching that 50, guys. Touching that 50 and 200, guys. If we break this, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to break it, guys. We could really start to see some momentum here. If we break that, guys, that is really hard to break. I don't expect to break this, guys. I'm not going to lie. I do not expect to break that to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. If we break that to the top side, guys, we might start ripping and running. We might start moving. Like I said, guys, rewind about 20 minutes ago. What did I say? We were down here. I said, if we come up to the 50 day and we break the 50 day, we have room to view up. Well, surely in 4 minutes, we hit view up. Okay, I said that this is going to be your bounce area. This is going to be your reversal area. You guys can literally quote me on it 4 minutes. I mean, right a little bit ago. If it breaks this area, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be ripping and running. Let me see where this trend line is. Okay, let it break the trend line before you get in. I don't trust that. Let it break the trend line. There's too much resistance. If you're trying to get in longs, wait for that trend line to break and this view up and 200 to crack, guys. If you're trying to get in short, anywhere between here and this trend line is a good spot to get short, guys. What am I leaning more towards? I'm kind of leaning more towards... I want to say shorts, guys. I'm not even going to lie. I want to say shorts, but I just have a feeling to the long side. I don't know why. You ever get that feeling? Like, realistically, it looks... It should be a short play. It should be a short play. A bounce right off the view up in the 200. But for some reason, if this does not break out... I mean, if this breaks out above that view up in 200, guys, I just feel like NQ is going to start to rip and run. So is S&P, and I might go long one contract to the top side on NQ. You know what I mean? Now, I will have a tight stop because it could 100% reverse. It could. But I need to see all of this break. You know what I mean? Like, it's holding up too well right now. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm waiting and watching. Got that little chill music on. Little chill mix. Ladies and gentlemen. Has to see that spike rip and run, guys. I have to see that spike rip and run. Oh, man. Oh, baby. Guys, no movement. No movement right now. No movement. Sitting flat. Do not take any trades. Do not get in unless... The only thing you can get in on is short. Do not go long is what I'm trying to say. If you're going long right now, you're risking it. You're risking it for the biscuit, baby. The biscuit's not worth it. I'm telling you. Do not go long right now, bro. That thing could sell off right back down to like 7.6 on NQ. That's gonna be like a 10-point drop. Right? If you're long right now, the only thing, I mean, and hey, it could spike right back up and hallelujah too, but it's not a smart trade. I will say that that is a dumb trade. It's a dumb play. You're gambling. You're gambling. You're not trading. You're gambling. Okay? You're not doing educated trading. Here we go. Touching it again, guys. You're gambling if you're in long on the S&P right now. And I'm not trying to target anyone. If you're in right now, I don't feel like I'm targeting you, alright? This is where bookmap comes. I know, dude. I don't know why my bookmap is not loading, man. This is what it looks like. It keeps doing this, guys. It keeps doing this. It just won't load. I do even have the thing up. Do I have to load up more money? I don't keep money in this account. I don't keep money in this account. This is the account I used to use for penny stock trading, guys. But I don't really, you know, I switch brokerages because penny stock trading on TD is terrible. I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe it was just my internet back in the day before I had an Ethernet cable, but it was probably the worst fills I've ever done in my life. And imagine trying to trade penny stocks getting filled, you know, 20 cents above what you're trying to get filled at, bro. That's where I started, man. Yeah. So, you know. And I wasn't on Tradecaster either. I wasn't on anything, bro. I was just mindlessly trading. And I was making, eventually I started making a couple bucks. Started on crypto technically, but, you know, those were very short days as I realized, you know, crypto is, good luck trading it. I know some people that do trade crypto, and I think they're wild, bro. Like, they trade like ETH though. Like, if you're trading any like kind of like little shit coin, like, to be honest, everyone, I feel like all people, if you've been in crypto, have bought some coin that they thought was just gonna rip and run and it never did. Has everyone done that? Like, unless you're just buying blue chips, has anyone here, anyone else ever bought a coin that you thought was just gonna be like the one that's gonna make you like a millionaire, and you stuck like not like a decent amount into it, but you stuck a little bit into it, thinking that it was gonna rip and run? We've all had those coins. It's essentially like the Shiba coin. Yeah, bro, that was one for a lot of people. Dogecoin, yup, Dogecoin, Shiba. These are the big ones, bro. Yup, I had one called ApeCoin. If you guys know the Bored Ape Yacht Club, it was essentially their token. I had one. Yup, we've all had one, man. We've all had one. So like, and then you finally realize, you're like, dude, why am I holding this? You're like, why am I holding this? I'm down like 80%. You're like, dude, let me just, and then it's not even the mindset of like, okay, well, let me just hold and hope. Unless you're down so much that it literally doesn't even matter, then you can hold and hope and just secure your tokens. But yeah, dude, that's awesome, bro. That's exactly how it went. I've even had NFTs I did that with. I've held NFTs while the actual price of them was going down, but I believed in the project, so I held them, and they didn't work out. But I'd buy them for like 300 to 400, and then I would only be able to sell them for like, dude, like $50, bro, because they'd go down, bro. So I'd be like, I'm just gonna hold them and collect their coin. And then you were supposed to be able to make money off their coin, but then their coin went to like a penny and a half. So it's like, okay, I might as well not. You know what I mean? It's like, okay, well, you know, when I'm making 3 pennies a day. Yep, there's your CL crack, Rambo. There's your CL crack, Rambo. So there you are, buddy. 89. Let's see that break of 89, man. Break of 89 looks great. Look at that, dude. Ascending, almost like an ascending triangle pattern right now, holding out. That support is holding out well here on S&P, excuse me. ESNQ possible short. If they cannot break above this point, and I am very much leaning towards, I need to stop talking because it can go either way right now. I'm not gonna lie, dude. It just spiked right back up. It is breaking it. It just has to break it. You know what I mean? I'll be looking one contract to the long side, guys, above the view up. Guys, starting to get that push. Has to hold, though. Right there it was. Has to hold above. Or else I think sellers are going to come in and take it away. Look at that wick, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen. Look at that wick. Guys, that is insane. That was a crazy wick there on NQ. That was a crazy wick on ES, S&P. They can't hold above these points, guys. They're going to go down, and they're going to start to break. And here it is, guys. That could be a dip buy now, bro. See? Bro, I'm not. I feel I'm going to keep my hands off. I don't like this. No, I'm done. My hands are off. Yeah, I'm good. I'm feeling all right, guys. My hands are off the table. I suggest the same for you guys. Keep your hands off right now. We have no idea. If it comes back up to this high here of 47 and breaks 47, I'll be looking at it. But it has to break 47 and hold. Okay, guys? My hands are off until then. Woo! ZZ Zach on YouTube. Hope you guys are all printing as well. Hope you guys are killing the market. Look at that dip buy, guys. I can't. This market is insane, bro. CL. I'm sitting back and relaxing, man. Oh, there you guys go. That's actually really good. Thank you there, Torn Trader. 83% off Bull Next with code PATH expires today. Code PATH, ladies and gentlemen. PATH there. I'll link it to YouTube for anyone looking to get into options or futures trading. Yo, what's your profit target for your evaluation? It is 65,000, and I'm at 62,255. It's a 250K account. I had to make 15K, and we're about 3K shy of it, man. So we are chilling, baby. Path Bulo Knox. There you go. Code PATH. That's your discount code for today only. 80% off. 80% off on Apex. Apex ends today on all challenges. Ends today. It's going to be code. What code is that? That's going to be code save 80, right? It's always code like save 80, right? Save 80, I'm pretty sure. So there you guys go. So if you guys are looking to get in any challenges, today is the day to do it, ladies and gentlemen. Today's the day, guys. Today's the day to get them, or pathway. Okay, or pathway. There you go. Is there a difference there, Torn Trader? There you go, and you get, what is that? Doesn't seem like it's same discount. Okay, doesn't seem like it's same discount. Okay, that's good to know. Guys, pushing back down to that level. Right there's that 50 day, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to break here on NQ. Guys, I'll be looking for one short. You guys are like, YB, you're on 150,000. I mean, you're on a 250K account. Why are you taking one contract? The amount you can, you guys, I want you to realize how much you can make off one contract with the right amount. You can make upwards, if you guys make $1,000 a day for 15 days, you guys pass the challenge. If you guys make $500 a day for, you know, fucking 30 days or whatever it is, man, you pass the challenge, right? That's all you need, and then you have that account for the rest of your life, as long as you continue up your monthly fee or whatever it is, or you just buy the lifetime membership. Either or, man. Spy, need it, good pullback, and push if it wants to push through the view up. Yeah, right there it was, maybe. You might have just talked into reality there, Grambo. If we see this push back above 447 and hold, that's what you're looking for as well. Let me do that. Let me get rid of this, and then let me get rid of this, because they both are no longer relevant. This one really isn't holding up as too much. I'll leave it, I guess. I think 446.85 is holding up as a little bit more. But yeah, man. So pathway path on Bullinox. 80% on Apex. Right there it is. Save 80. So there you guys go, ladies and gentlemen. There's some prop firms for you guys to get involved if you guys are looking to get into here. Save a couple buckaroos on your monthly fees, which can be upwards of $500 to like $1,000 to maybe $100 to $50, whatever account you grab. All you need to do is pass your evaluation. It's, you know, whatever strategy you're using. If you guys feel like you're profitable enough, boom, pass that little safe haven. So for me, I'll have to make, Grambo, correct me if I'm wrong. I'll have to make, after I pass this, I'll have to make 6,500, correct? And then I'll be able to profit and pull out of what is it? Pull out there. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. Correct. Okay. Yep. There you go. So yeah, buddy. So that's what we're looking at. Yeah, I'll have to make 6,500, and then after that, I will not be able to go underneath 250,000. After my first withdrawal, I will not be able to go underneath 250,000, 56,000, and $500. If that's also correct, or 57, or 50, however that works, you know, 56,000 and what is that, $600 or something like that, because of the $100, you know, little thing, looking like a dump. Yep. If it can push, man, it just depends on where it's at. I'm right now on break even. I don't know which way it's gonna go, guys. I'm gonna be honest. If it breaks above 447, I'm saying top side. We have a lot of room. If it breaks underneath 446.85, holds, we could go all the way back down to the 50. You know, which is about 10, 20 cents. Which on ES, that could be a lot of room down to like, that's like a 20-point move. You know? So, no correct movement for me, guys. No correct movement, guys. I think I need to wait 10. I think if I pass this challenge, since I made 10,000 in that one day, if I pass tomorrow on CPI data, guys, I'm really hoping to have my account by tomorrow, guys. I'm not going to trade CPI data with it, but I will trade the market with it. So I'm waiting and watching, ladies and gentlemen. Chilling out. How you guys feeling today? Are you guys good? Are you guys green on the day? Is everyone, let me know if you're red on the day. Let me know. And let me know what happened or how much. Sorry, man. I'm picking up fun coupons. I love that terminology, man. It's probably top 10. You guys rewind. It got a little crazy up in here when I started playing Jordan Belfort. Ladies and gentlemen, pushing 447, guys. This might be that break. That might be that rip and run, guys. Starting to get up there. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, I'm giving it 1 second. Confirmation candle. I just don't want it to be a top wick, guys. Guys, I don't want that to be a top wick. Look at that on NQ. I don't want that to be a top wick, ladies and gentlemen. Has to hold 447. That's too strong of a push for me to feel like good with getting in, guys. Yeah. Good short opportunity. If you guys are looking short, good short opportunity. It's too strong of a push for me to look to go long. If it slowly made its way up to 447, maybe I could see the breakout happening. Or if it holds 447, the next candle comes in, reverse trap pattern, baby. Also some resistance up here on NQ. There we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Now we can see this thing start to rip and run. Now we can see this thing start to take off, guys. Guys, I'm going to get in one long. This thing can start to take off here right now if it goes red to green here. We're going to need red to green, though. Going to need to hold 447, go red to green. Going to need to hold 447, go red to green for you guys. You need that little double top to break here. Green, push 447.10. That's the game plan, guys. If it can't, you got to cut it. You got to cut it. Red to green is what you're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm looking for. I think we can start to break out here now that we're holding 447. If we don't, we need that to hold. Need to see that red to green move here on NQ. Need to see it here on S&P 500. Push 447.10. Start to really break out, rip and run, guys. Start to really get that breakout, rip and run, guys. It's so close. I know if it gets that one push, it's gonna get it. If it gets that one ripperuski. You guys getting me? You guys feeling me? You guys feel me? One ripperuski, baby. She's going. Give me a red to green and she's gone, baby. Give me a red to green on the S&P. Let's see buyers come in and take it away. You know what I mean? You guys get what I'm saying? I just need buyers to come in and take it away, guys. I need buyers to come in and take it away, buyers. Do your thing. Do your thing, buyers. Push this stock up. Make this thing rip, baby. If not, I'll probably cut it. If not, I will probably cut her. All right? But it's got that little bit of a pump up. I think we could see it. Maybe a little dip buy down to 447. Like DCA. I really do think we can get that ripperuski, bro. I'm not even going to lie. If we go from red to green, guys, it's going. It has to go from red to green. That is your risk to reward ratio, guys. Red to green. Guys, starting to break back down. Has to hold 440. Good to go. Said OBS just disconnected and reconnected. Are we good to go? Let me know. We good to go? OBS good? Okay, word. Just making sure OBS is chilling. Yep, good to go. Okay, word. Yep. So, guys, I'm going to need some green to come in here, ladies and gentlemen. Going to need that green. Right there it is, guys. Come on. It has to hold up. Has to spike here. If it breaks to the top side, guys, you know, I'm going to do something I haven't done in a while. Give me a level 2. I usually don't use level 2 as much as I should. Okay, we're going to do this right there. We're going to leave it right there just so I have it on both points. Guys, right there it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is what you were looking for. Guys, right there it is. I want to see NQ jump back up. I brought up a level 2 and I'm not even using it, guys. We don't need to see it. We just need to see this thing continue to rip and run, guys. I want to see where the walls are at. That's why I loaded it up. Not too big of a wall. There's no big walls here. So I think we're getting that push. We're getting that rip and run. I'm going to bring this all the way over there just so I have it up. Ladies and gentlemen, I think if NQ can get that little push, play catch up almost with the S&P, we're good to go. S&P needs to continue to break out, rip and run. It's a little bit slower right now, guys. A little bit slower, ladies and gentlemen. S&P starting to get its breakout, starting to get its run. If it breaks 10, we're good, ladies and gentlemen. Has to break into 10. Then you have room. You have room upwards. You have room upwards to, I would say 17, 18 area. Break 10. Break 10. Start to get that ripperuski on me. Has to break 10, guys. 1 cent off. 2 cents off. I just want to see it break 10, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, that little push.
Order filled.
I DCA'd on 1. I'm in on 2 right now to the top side, guys. DCA'd in on 1. In on 2 to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see this break on NQ finally start to really rip and run and rally, guys. All the way up to like 70, guys. If it rips, run, rallies up to 70, we are printing. We are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the game plan at hand. It has to hold. It has to hold up, though. I want to see it hold up, ladies and gentlemen. That's the game plan at hand. I feel good about this one. I'm feeling great. like a Frosted Flakes character on a box. A little bit of lettuce on it. Get some tomato in your cereal. You guys feeling me? You know, so I need to see some red to green here. Has to hold up, guys. It's just super... Maybe not. I mean, it's just super... slow. I think that's the word, slow. I don't know, man. It's slow. It's a slow trade. I'll say that. It's a slow trade. If it pushes back up to 6.4, guys, I'm at 6.8. I'm at 6.8. Am I looking at the same chart? Am I confused right now? Am I confused right now? Why does this price say 364 and this one says 560? Am I confused right now? Is there something different about this chart? Even though it's breaking out and I'm fine with it, I'm just a little concerned on what is going on. I don't know why they're different prices right now. I'm not complaining as long as it continues to get that Reparuski. You didn't roll your contracts. Grambo, I'm not going to lie. NQZ. NQZ. Guys, we're starting to get that breakout. After this trade, hold on. I'll look into this after this trade, guys. Let's see that break to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I was looking at and looking for, man. I want to see that break to the top side, that rip and run. I know we can do it here. I know we can get that last push up to like 70. Guys, right here is where we were looking at 20. I want to see that break now. If we continue to rip and run, we are good. NQZ. So is that what I should start trading? NQZ? Is that what I need to start trading? NQZ. I was just a little confused on what that was. Guys, it's going to break out here. Guys, you're good. You guys are chilling. Let's see this thing start to really rip and rally. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys are all green. I hope you guys are all profiting right now. I hope you guys are all killing this market, baby. Let's see this thing rally, baby. Oh, there she goes. Okay, it expires Friday, so I'll start trading it after this one. Guys, no, I need that red to green, guys. Red to green, it can push 70. Red to green, it can push 70, guys. We'll see 70 come in. We'll see all the way up to 2.2 come in. Because that'll be 80 on this. Red to green looks good here, ladies and gentlemen. Looks great. NQU expires Friday. Okay, okay. Let's see it. Come on, baby. Let's see that red to green, ladies and gentlemen. If it pushes here on S&P, it's going to force NQ to drive to the top side. Oh, we're so close, man. We are so close to that top side break. We get that one green candle to spike up, rip and run. Even a red to green on this candle, spiking, ripping, and running to the top side. All the way up to 80, 70, excuse me. 80 would be nice. We pushed to 80 right now. We spiked all the way up here to 80. Guys, looking at that bigger picture, man, that'd be crazy. It's just NQ's not moving with the S&P like it should be. I feel like if S&P pushes back above, pushes 30 even, NQ's only going to push up a little bit. You know, I want it to push up. Don't get me wrong. I want it to spike, rip, and run, but it's not formulating like the S&P. If it was formulating like the S&P right now, we'd be good to go, baby. We'd be green on across the board, across the tape. All right, so it's more bearish than bullish, I will say, ladies and gentlemen. It's more bearish than bullish, guys. I will 100% admit with me in this trade, it's not formulating like the S&P at all. It's not looking like it at all. I'm not going to lie. Breaks at 50, guys. Be careful long here. I know. I'm about to get out, guys. I'm going to get out.
Order filled.
I'm getting out. I'm going to lock it up. 190. Of course, he cut me short. I got no words. I got no words. I got no words right now. I'm going too short here, though, if it wants to hold. It's not formulating like the S&P, guys. You got to realize that, right? If you start to see that, you guys got to cut your plays short. It's okay. All right, it's fine. All right, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take the L. I'll take the L on it. All right, I'm still green on the day. That's what matters. Coming down. I'm low-key scared to go short here as it could bounce. I don't know, man. I might just take a smaller green day. Time's 11:56. I might take one more trade on the day. Looking for a Dumperuski on NQ. If you want to go down, buddy, go down then, right? It's like, if you want to go down, go down. See what they want to do with this hourly. I guess I probably should wait. Like, they're just like, I don't know. S&P just ripped and ran, and NQ's just like sitting flat. If it acted this, guys, this was exactly what I thought was going to happen here, guys. Exactly what I said was going to happen. It was going to break above, you know, spike up to like, you know, 10. If it breaks 10, we're going to 20. 20 is going to be the next resistance area. It was. I thought NQ, though, was going to follow through. I thought NQ was going to push 70 and then push like 80. So what should I be trading here? They're still the same, aren't they? they're still technically the same. I just have until Friday before they, expire. Coming down here, ladies and gentlemen. NQ's just such a downward play. It's such a Debbie Downer. You know what I mean, guys? Such a Debbie Downer. Maybe a little dip by here, honestly. Never mind. I lied. Look at that, guys. Hold on. Wait, I'm sorry, guys. Waiting for this music. Waiting for this music to air out. NQU become less liquid. Is that the one I'm trading right now? NQU? Okay, so it is less liquid. Okay, hold on. Hold on. How do I switch it? Do I just type in, what is it? NQ what? NQ Z3? Z3? Yep, there she is. Okay. There we go. Alright, word. Z. Okay, Z3. There we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that works. There's no way I have that long of an ad. Look at that, guys. Oh my, bro. We got 2 minutes, bro. If this breakout happens, man. They're the same price though, right, Grambo? Right? They're the same price. They're both $5 a tick is what I mean. Z and U. It's just the next expiration of contracts, maybe? Yes, okay. Alright, just had to make sure. What time is it? 58? Guys, I'm waiting the next 2 minutes, guys. Sorry if it's a little slower today. I'm waiting the next 2 minutes to see exactly what's going to happen here, guys. We're sitting good on the day. Still sitting decent. I mean, not bad. I'm green. That's what matters, right? Not bad at all. Can't complain. Up 192. Looking to make that be a little bit to a lot of it more. I want to see what happens on this next candle, guys. I'm going to bring S&P up here. I'm going to go to the hourly. All right, what are we looking like on the hourly? There we go. Well, we're looking a little flat. We're not doing nothing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if we're not going to do nothing, can't force you guys. Cannot force it, ladies and gentlemen. So chilling out, waiting and watching, man. I got that last minute. We're waiting. 11:59. NQ looks weak, guys. Anyone else think that? I don't know. It's just not formulating with the S&P. It's not doing what the S&P is doing. I feel as if it does look a little weak here. If it's going to look a little weak, that's completely and utterly fine by me. So we're going to see. Wait. Watch, baby. Just chilling out, man. Chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. There it is. There's that 12 o'clock candle. Scalping longs on the slow grind on ES. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Honestly, I should be going long, like, right here. Well, I don't know. NQ's, like I said, NQ's not correlating well, like, at all. Yeah, ES, I agree. ES looks more bullish than NQ. NQ just kind of looks a little bearish. So that, like, it looks like, no, if S&P jumped $20 here, it looks like NQ would just jump up to 6.5. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't seem like NQ really wants that move. You get what I'm saying, guys? It's like, it doesn't seem like it really wants that jump, that pop, that rip, that run. As you know, you got here's S&P. That does kind of want that S&P, rip, run, jump, everything, baby. And, same with ES. So we're going to see here. Guys, I spoke too soon. I'm giving it 1 second. I'm giving it 1 second before I jump in on this. Tesla and Meta. Yeah, these tech plays do mess with it a lot. I should pull them up. I had them on a chart. Hold on, I'm giving it a second, guys. Right there's that big pop. You see what I'm saying, though? Look at that massive pop there on S&P. And look at NQ. Spiked right up to 6.5. If it can break, maybe that's some resistance, man. If we can start to break that, I think we go. Starting to break it. Guys, I feel like if I get... I almost want to get short. You might think I'm crazy. If NQ's not going to hold, it's not going to hold.
Order filled.
I want to get short here. I want to get short and see what this does here. I know it's a little bit riskier. It is a lot of it riskier. I don't want to give up the gains on the day. I don't want to give up everything, you know, trying to go against momentum. I'm usually a momentum trader, so it's okay. But I feel as if this is not going to break out, and maybe it will. Maybe it will finally get that breakout rip and run, but it's not breaking out like the S&P is, guys. That's my biggest thing here. It's not breaking out like the S&P is, guys. It's definitely not. It's being a lot more hesitant, having a lot more bearish momentum, even at these highs. You know, it could wick right back down to the low 5.3s. You know, that's kind of where I'm aiming for here. I'm aiming for this to be a top wick here on the S&P, forcing NQ to come right back down. Another candle, dump-a-ruski. A quick little dump-a-ruski here, coming back into play here. Starting to come into play here on NQ. Starting to come into play there on NQ. Let's see it. NQ, get that good old dump-a-ruski like I was saying, baby. Get that good old dump-a-ruski down to the 50-day. Let's see it, baby. Dump-a-ruski in hand, guys. This is what you were looking for, ladies and gentlemen. You want to see it hold up now. We're in chop, though. I don't like the action on NQ. That's why I'm on ES today. That's smart. Guys, oh my goodness. I kind of might be with you. Look at that wick, guys. Look at that complete and utter reversal, guys. Can we all admit that is crazy? I want a DCA up here. I'm going to DCA up here on 2 more. But that is insane. That wick that just happened, guys. I don't think it's going to hold up. That is way too wild, man. I don't know. I mean, this is crazy, man. This is insane right now. I think we can sell off at any given point. I think we're going to get a little bit of a push, and then we're going to sell off. That's why I'm waiting, guys. That's why I'm only on 2 contracts. Waiting and watching, guys. Just waiting. Just waiting here. I know. It's like, YB? Well, be cautious. It's like, I know, man. I know. I want to see S&P. If it goes green or red, I'm good. If it goes green or red, I'll DCA it on 2 more. I have some sort of faith in my play right now, guys. I got a plan. I'm a man with a plan, guys. I'm looking for a DCA up at these highs. How high do I think we can go? I think we're going to get some sort of reversal, guys. I'm not going to lie. We're getting a little bit overextended here on the S&P. That's like a straight breakout, ladies and gentlemen, to the top side, guys. And those wicks are massive. Guys, not yet. I need to see some red here on the S&P. Show me some flipping red, bro. Show me some red. Show me you do have some bearish momentum in you. Show me you're not all green and glorious and good. Sorry, I just gotta take a breather. So I'm waiting and watching, guys. I am waiting and watching, guys. You gotta be cautious. You gotta know your limits. But if I DCA up here, some red coming in, it has to be some good red though. Have to see some clean red momentum. If NQ is gonna break out, it's gonna break out for a little bit. Maybe I'll wait for a red candle. A little bit of that lower high. A little bit of that lower high, guys. I'm waiting.
Order filled.
DCA'd in. 2 more contracts. Now we're on 4 to the downside. On 70. Looking for that to come back into play here. Looking for this thing to come back down. Seeing if we can touch even, what am I filled at? 6.6. So we even got back to the support level, which would be right around 6.5. I think if we get back down there, ladies and gentlemen, and we start to rip and run to the downside, we start to get that sell-off that we're looking at. You know, next leg down, we get another rip and run, just start killing this market all the way down to like the 50-day, bro. You guys will print. You guys will be good. You guys can call it a day, okay? That's what you're looking at here. So you're looking for this thing to come down, even if it wants to spike all the way down, baby. Pay you guys out. Pay everyone out, baby. So that's what I'm looking at right now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for this thing to come down, start to really spike, though, like a big spike, like a massive spike to the downside. Like, continue this momentum down Hold these lows. That's the big thing. It has to hold these lows now. Holding these lows. Next candle. Green to red here. Green to red. Continue this low down to that 50-day, guys. That's the game plan, ladies and gentlemen. You guys all set? We're all ready. We're all good on that. So you need that red candle. I want to see that 50-day come into play. Guys, I want to see that 50-day come into play, ladies and gentlemen. Guys, I want to see that 50-day. We're right there. Ladies and gentlemen, give it 1 second. Give it 1 second. Give me that red one more time, NQ. Give me that red one more time, NQ. I know you got it in you. I know you got it in you. You're right there. You're underneath 50 now. That's what I'm looking at. I want to see it come in one more time. I want to see it come in one more time. Do it. Do it. Give me it. One more time. Give me it. I want to see that. I know it can come in one more time.
Order filled.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I don't have enough patience. Ladies and gentlemen, what a day. What a day. A bit of a slower day, but a bit of a day we'll go with. Guys, ending the day up 3:30. I'll take it. Not how I was, hoping to end it, but you guys can continue trading. You guys continue to profit. But guess what, baby? That's a green day. That's green. Can I complain? No. Will I complain? No. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have had an amazing time hanging out with us. Go get yourself some fun coupons and go hit whatever you want to go do today. Have an amazing rest of your day, traders. Let's get a good game, buddy. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Kill this market, traders. See you guys here for CPI data, 8:30 AM EST, baby. I'm doing it. See you guys then. Peace.
just hurts till I can get my satisfaction.
And then just